Hi guys, smart announcement. This is a repost, yes, because my phone is mashed and I can't get to do any new videos. So I am now using someone's phone to upload two reposted videos. So I can keep my channel occupied and let you guys know what is going on for y'all to see. Here is it. Y'all see it? See it there guys. So yes, it has been mashed. So for any one of my subscribers that's willing to help me to fix it, I have no problem, just call the number on the screen. But however, you guys will have to be getting some reposting videos for now. I will soon get back on chat and videos and get some new videos.
Yes. Are you not sweet, sir? Me know, baby, yeah, man. I think I phone you back. I think I call you back. Yeah, the daughter come. Alright. You alright?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, baby. You good?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What going? Yeah, man, what going for you now?
Ma talk to us.
Anything?
How come you not send me to stay with my father?
Me say anything, me never tell you if you bring up that crosses and spoil me day.
Because that me they want to talk to you about.
I have my reasons, man.
I thought we can even live together then.
I definitely have my reasons.
So me can't know a reason there be.
Me not come in between you and your father relationship. Me no want nothing to do with that. Yeah, me no want nothing to do with that. You want to take you for go foreign. Eh? For go file for my daughter. Like saying want own you. Huh? If it was to live with him, it wouldn't be too bad. We wouldn't stop it because you would get opportunities you can't get yourself. How me for stop it? Him want to take you to his mother and his side of the family that me no know. Him not even talking good about. And I just say want to drop you, my one baby. To drop you and leave you and gone gallivanting. No, sir. But you turn under my nose. Me know say you're safe. Me know say you're good. And God will help you.
But mommy, if you think me be nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong?
Remember say me have phone and me can call you, say if not wrong, me can call if you come for me and send me location.
So when them a drop like your backside or a starve out your backside, by the time you for call me for raise money, me for raise visa or not, look, I remember say me not have no visa, you know. Are you made a file for him now? File for me.
Me not think they're so bad though. Me not think they're so wicked to me.
Mm.
And as a grandchild.
Deirdre never thinks so neither. And on the house bottom, them put her for sleep. You forget her.
A foreign.
Her mother gone a foreign, leave her with her best friend. And thinks her best friend not gonna do that because he's her godmother. Them have the poor child asleep on the house bottom with rat and dog. I wash them dirty drawers. When them ready, I mean I know what kind of devil lick them. They ready for boxer and lick up the poor child in her head. That not hey, my baby. No sir. But you turn under my nose. Baby love. What is for you can't unbe for you. God I go help you. If it's a so, if you forgot foreign, God I go help you.
So, mommy, I come there and I can't go down again. I can't come up and come look for me.
Me not stop. You and him have a relationship, you know, and your father. That can't come. That can't come anywhere. Sorry, baby. Me have my reasons, baby girl, but that can't come anywhere near me or my home. You're a big girl, you know where the town is, you know how to get pan bus and where, as you said, you have your phone, you and him can link. Me not stop that, me not wrong that, but that can't come. Ugh, ugh.
But I like how you and live. Don't live like pussy and dog. I like it.
That's why him for stay to the east and me stay to the west and everything good.
Wanna feel live good as two couple man.
Couple
But-
which parts?
Anyways, no bother with that. May I walk go to the road and come back here?
Alright, well good.
Yes.
Buy me 2 snacks when you go out, you know what my love, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh God. You back on the phone, yes.
I feel boring. I might as well go back up on my yard. Gotcha. What do you look at for feel long finger them so?
I want cheese sticks me there, eat, girl.
Hmm.
Yes.
So we are doing a sitting in the sun hot girl. You know no feelings of
And
feel
that's why
hot.
me have a sweater fit take off the sun off me and say me black.
Well, I feel like I must is sweaty under that. So I go on. I go up, me say me I go back up, you know, and me see you.
I said, girl, me don't know what make when you reach certain age. Just see, mother and father, your mother and father, they can't agree. Me don't know what happened.
And chatty. From me, know your mother and father never live together.
Me not talk about live together. Me not talk about them can't agree.
Chatty, if somebody not live together, then can't agree.
Well, me can't bother.
Oh, well.
Me can't bother.
You feel glad you have your mother and you kind of know half your father. I don't know none. And I don't interested to know none. If him did want to know me, he would have find me. He left my mama from me in a belly. Oh, he did expect me to wear pampers and this. Then nothing in the call or send to my mother. You alright, no? You can't worry about your pap. You wouldn't even worry about you.
That I think, but at least me stay away. This when I get up and me I talk to mother about him and my mother gets so pissed off like she didn't want to let me down. You have to just come out her yard.
Well, you tell her what all tricks of this try. It may be not work, but it may be work. Cause a modern days now, but you can write your mother one letter stating say your father write it. You understand me I say?
Oh, like one love letter.
Yeah.
I know some of this the access what me could do. If you try get them back together.
Or if you want to do it nowadays style, you text one say you have an emergency down at Scotiabank. You text the other one say you have an emergency at Scotiabank and see if it were them come to help you. When it were them come to help you now, then buck up on one another.
You know, so that's true.
Yeah.
That's true, you know.
And if they love you, they will come faster.
Yeah.
It's an emergency.
Me know my mother that come first. I know about
But
the
you
father
see,
part.
if they not come, nobody feel now you. Alive.
And by me not feel no way, no feelings me have.
Me not
Me
think
have
your
to feel
papa
away.
go come.
Sure. Sometimes I don't know where he is now why me talk about him too, you know.
You come like say you want a friend to go tell a lie now, but me not gonna tell you no lie.
No, me know what you tell me no.
But anyways, you can give me $100.
Me not get no money for me, you know.
You never yet have money.
Me not, no,
Pay you have to pay me for me advice them, you know. So when you see me tomorrow or later if me come back down here, you carry the $100 come give me.
make it.
So where they go now?
Me no, me just a walky place because me dey feel boring or something so.
Oh, alright. Me I go about my business.
Alright, me I go back down the road just say.
Alright.
Me I go back over.
You are going so.
Papa, phone na din man. Phone man.
Alright,
Serious thing, ano, ano? Siya?
Phone you back.
Phone him back on the gun, man.
I want the hey.
Nobody with him, walk.
You still come with the cross yourself. Me tell you not come back to me yard. What you do here?
Me come look for my daughter.
She not there. So
She
lift
there.
up. She not there.
Come give some money for gear the first sale, but you walk on.
Take you 18 years.
Took me 18 years, me know.
And you know shame?
More, sometimes, she 18 now, more bring her up a foreign with me. She go stay with me.
Bring her which part?
No far in.
You no response like that, yeah?
What you mean?
You nah bring my one picnic for go foreign, for leave with girl and leave with woman while you go gallivanting with your concubine them. Nah happen.
No.
Eh?
Me chill my life now, babe. I work to chill my life now.
You not
that if you know me, no that I'm more better now.
You not experiment with my daughter.
No
Say
experiment.
not better she Tanya. If the Lord say she fit go foreign and fly pan iron bird, it will make it happen. But not happen through you.
What is that?
So
So can buy groceries for her and her. Till I make up her mind. Bring her come, you know?
me no want nothing from you. This is big for her.
Yeah.
And this is about nobody put it back in your bag. Cause this is about me I got nice tea, you know. This can cover 3 years ago bill. You're still not up to date yet, so come.
So you mean I'm still up to date?
Put some fertilizer upon it.
You know dirt when I get fertilizer.
Shorty is a growing girl.
Yeah,
she yam now.
She 18 now.
You're not getting nothing
No,
from
no.
what not. You're not getting nothing from 1919 what not.
Listen,
I'm allow you
listen,
them.
man, you say you want a daughter, I give her a daughter. I want her back to bring over son.
No. You're not experiment with my
What can I
baby, you know.
experiment with nobody?
You don't know, you are picking yourself, you don't know how to raise picking, you don't know what you know about woman. When her monthlies come, what you gonna do?
She know she at 18 now, she know about that. We give
So
her a
when,
little dividends, we go, here we are going.
this is 3 years ago, and you're lucky so me not done
What
the
is that?
14th.
She at 18, she can't look at work in the meantime. You know.
This bring you up to 2 years. This bring you up to barely 2 years now. Up to date. And you're lucky so me not charge you for it.
What is that?
Yeah. Hey, come in, man. Hey, see? Oh, God has show me some
Pick up before you blow.
foolishness.
Pick up
Me no want
Pick up
it.
before you
You
blow
have to
away.
lift up, man. Lift
She
up.
at 18,
She not
me
there
now,
now.
listen,
She
she
not
at
got no
18
foreign.
now. If you know what she bring, give me a bring a foreign, like we easy upon both of you. If you don't give me her now, this year, hold on for Jamaica. Jamaica is Jamaica expensive.
Yeah, foreign expensive. I mean, I don't know food.
No. So they foreign, they get, what them call them something there again. I don't even remember what they call, but they get better treatment over there.
Which part?
Yeah,
But they're
yeah.
racist and not like black people.
No.
I mean, I bring my picnic.
I black part, we got the black part, almost black people there. Oh, yeah, if you may hear that.
Yes. You really want me to answer that?
Yeah, answer.
Yes, you're idiot, you're foul, you're sense foul. You really know for continue to answer. Nobody ask me question you don't want the
Listen, man,
answer.
that can't do what you do.
Lift up, man, she not there.
I mean, she's not there. She come here, just call me, come check her, bring her out and phone call style. Right?
Turn to the wait. Turn to the wait for the phone call. Have the phone in your hand, here.
Now my pocket.
Turn to the wait for man.
Alright.
We'll call you. Turn to the wait.
Daddy, where I come from?
I come from, you go look for over there. Your son and a hat. Come on, try son, man. Oh, man. Right, thy father out and thy son out to thy father. But the camera a while ago, you know. And the first thing your mother put out in your hand. You want 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and 1 year ago. It's a different when I'm telling you, oh, we want the papers them, they can go foreign.
Different, where my different is something.
Money 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and 1 year ago. Him a different. You know, show up some money give him for give you.
You want you come back over there, no?
I know you can't tell me that, and that make it over there, so, you know.
Me I tell you saying love you when you come
Love
back.
me, and disgrace that over there, so. He disgrace, I disgrace me. I don't love that. You call it love? That's
He really
not
love you. Just pack up your clothes and go
Pack up his clothes and go and over where. Just see if I can get the papers them, so I can set them out so they can go foreign. Live a better life. You hear that? Because Jamaica hard, you know. Me have work away from you over there. You're 18 now, you know. So you can work now.
What can I work then?
What do you mean can work? You're 18, go look work.
I can't bother now with no hard work. Hard work enough for me.
What me hurry for you? How you get money? How you gonna eat and survive? How you gonna buy clothes?
You want money for my
You 18 years old now, me top gear money now. Me give my laugh when me give my that she have it. When that done, I don't know what I'm going on. All when I get money from me, unless with the papers them. You hear that? Get the papers them. Sorry. Nah, spend. I'm in a see where my money are going. You hear that? But see where they are finding right now, you have whole opportunity over there. You have better life over there to live. You can get a decent work, you have to kill yourself in our office work and stay so.
Alright, so I'll get them and give you.
Yeah, just give with us and just do the right thing and I'll come back.
So give me your money now, daddy.
Me give my money already.
So much money I give?
Me give me even count, just give her some money, but I know me not say more than 1,000 she get. And US you get in from Jamaica and US. And US me at work.
You what?
You deaf?
You waste.
Move with from where your ears. So you go over there,
Yes.
she have money to give you. So collect it. You
Okay.
go over me yard.
Alright, me I'll go over for your money.
So B, when you ever come give me the thing with the doctor adding it. Yes, last time it did hot. Yeah, man. You know how me like. Me have to go. Alright, yeah man, later. Yeah man, check me later. Aye. What happened? You alright?
What do you have?
None of your business. You good?
Give me good. Anyways, you just see that you're a while ago. Yes.
No, he did come here look for you.
Yeah. Anyways, you know, so I think I'll be taking back.
Who tell you to think? Who give you permission to think?
The father girl?
Well, sometimes you know to think, man. Sometimes you know to think and talk. Here, think and just keep your mouth shut.
No, I good something I think. Good something I said to you.
Why me would I go back to that bag of bone? Me leave the crosses for a reason. Eh? But God bless me with you. So me have to still talk to that. But you see now you're 18. Me not have to deal with him. You and your father deal. Me no want nothing to do with that day. So take that out of your mind.
Why?
Okay, not go work. That not going to work like a girl come out of big people things.
Yeah, there's a come little girl. Remember, say me at 18. Me adult.
Yeah, adults.
Yes.
You could be 70-year-old adult. I mean, from me upon this earth and you upon this earth, you'll always be my baby girl adult. Yeah?
Anyways,
Mm-hmm.
he saying give me some money. Am I sure? He saying give me some money for give me some I want it.
Yes. This.
What am I doing this?
You don't know if you ask him.
No, I know this thing saying give for give me. This can't even buy nothing, not even bag.
Me know.
No want it, take it back.
And I me in him because me just a messenger.
Me no want it. Me no want it. Open it to no.
You're lucky you get something from your papa. You know how many years you don't get nothing from him. And he come bring you this. Eh?
Me no want it. Put it back in your pocket.
No, mingi. Are you?
It can't even
He's
buy
just a
bag
messenger. Well, go to a cheaper shop. Go to the Chinese shop that can buy your bag juice and get your change. Yeah.
Me no want no $50. Me no look like $50 girl. You see like $50 can't mind me.
Hey. You're lucky.
See good money, yeah, man. Take back the piece
Take
of
back
something.
every mickle make a muckle, yeah?
Hey, what about this? Me no want that. Yes.
What a way Jamaican money not acceptable in a Jamaica no more.
Good money this. Can buy grocery and clothes and do hair and lashes.
No, instead of do hair and lashes, go get a work, use it for taxi fare. Go get a work, go look a job. Go hunt a job.
Me no
Or go
want no
start a business.
Me not have a business right now.
Alright, then use $100 invest. But you can't
No.
stay here forever, you know.
Me I go use it and buy grocery, do me hair I'm in nails and buy clothes. Can't go party
So when the money done, what you gonna do after that?
me call him back for more.
You know how much years behind him be? Alright, call him back for more, man, and see how much years it's gonna take you to get. Start something for yourself.
Me no
You're a
want-
big woman, you tell me say you're a big woman. You still a move like picnic.
Me no want nothing for myself.
So you know want something for yourself.
No, me no want nothing for myself right now. Oh, before me forgot. In this, he want me documents them so me can bring them come so he can give me a foreign.
Carry which foreign? Carry a which go which foreign? With that? No. That's why me keep your documents. Me keep your birth paper and thing. I don't know good man, that's why he can't come round me. Me can't stop him for be around you, but him can't come round me. That is not a good man. Carry go which foreign?
But me no want Tanya nothing there.
Well, that's why I say start invest because you don't know when the next one I go come, you know. You don't know when the next one I go come. Cause that take 5-6 years for come.
No want
So
Tanya.
invest it and make it build. I might not know good man and him not take your girlfriend. If you go foreign, you go per foreign and you own a 2 foot. It may all good for take your girlfriend and go and sell you out.
My father not do that.
My father not do that.
He not do that.
Him not do that.
No.
You don't know him like that.
Nah,
Me know him and me have my reasons why that can't touch my kin and come near me.
Kaya, no, never mind. He not go do that.
You're right. You know, say you're right. No man, Sasha, you're right. I mean, I'm looking at your eye and when me say it. To convince you say you're right. Him not gonna do that for true. And you know why?
Why?
Cause you not get no papers. You see, if you go foreign, you're gonna go foreign for your own a 2 foot them and your own opportunities them, or God help you with another extra opportunity. Then we can breathe easy, no say alright. Once you do with that, hey, you send me to my early grave. You send me to my grave early. That will sell you out, you know. No, I truly marry your father. I'm gonna tell you hey, my girl, you know what? Let me lift up because no, you're not going nowhere with him, yeah?
There is a top people traffic.
Hey, Rasta! Rasta! With the Rasta in the Rasta. Wagons.
There.
See how we are the core backbone. Oh, your core in the backbone. More of my backbone for a long time, you know. You know, it's like one of the hippity dip and the dippity dip. Yeah,
And the do.
Yeah, and the do. Yeah, and like, you know, do. Yeah. I mean, you should have agree, you know, long time, but I say go.
No, sir, you
First
too
man
mix
win.
up for me.
This is a short man I do really like, you know. I really want a tall guy like me, kind of want to turn up in the night till daylight. You know, when I go a dead yard, they did it with the one cup around one night and rock.
You really know about dead yard. That's for me here. So me no want that.
Anybody tell her that a liar, a true them, no good. That's how it is. Yeah.
But me here say dead too often, man. Me no want man who dead. And a grave. Me gonna be a long time
You want me
dead.
walk on the road and it alive? No, if it dead, because guess what? Too many young people is on the road. I don't want my thing to get up. My thing not to get up unless me and my woman in a bedroom. It's when they go to work, my thing for dead. It's when they are coming, my thing for dead. And that's enough man them can control themselves and take a people girl picking it. And then look at saying, get up so. Sexy. Poor little people they don't understand what going on in their life.
I true that.
Okay,
I know that
good.
me attack.
Me control it.
Me a
If
woman,
dead.
you know.
So anybody tell us say dead, tell them say me say. If it always dead when me dey on the road, because a lot of people pass here, you know, if you get up, make them sit down
Well,
and say
that
they get up.
is true. But
If
thing
it's
is,
dead,
me I hear say it dead when if it's not dead. When if it alive and it for rise like the phoenix, at that time me hear say
Try
don't
it.
cut come.
So why you not try?
No sir.
Why you not try?
Too much my friend them talk about you. You're full of mischief and all full of his chat.
So you feel like
and
you
you
go
know bad
around and
nothing,
flash it
man.
around for every woman?
No, man, but you're just full of mouth. You're
No,
full
I'm
of
not full of
chat.
mouth.
And you're not people business too much, man. You love too much mix up, man. You're not lesbian, you know, man. Go with woman. Only woman chat, so. Yeah.
A stick me have, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And a flat, a stick.
Okay, pencil.
Yes, it don't matter. It still have use. And it still have a work.
But the pencil needs sharpening.
No worry about
the
that.
lead dull.
I know that more and talk about right now.
Mm-hmm.
Sister Susie. TV man money and run off. Yes, run off. Let me 6 people them with the man. Choo. And you know what happened?
Mm-hmm.
Out of the 6 people, Lord of God, me didn't want to talk, come in and chat people business.
No,
Me
you
not
don't
do
chat
it.
people business. None at all.
Right, me as a man, me not like mix up.
Mm-hmm.
But out of the 6 Britney, you know how much I for the man? Lord of Yes, one guess me and you.
Papa, man, me in a hurry.
One guess me and you.
Me in a hurry, man.
One guess
Me
me
not
and
in
you.
a people business. 4. Me not in a people business.
4? If I did 4, it wouldn't so bad.
Eh?
One picnic out of the 6 for the man.
What?
And it's the last picnic. The last one.
The black one that no look like him?
No,
You
between
see
me
how
and
you
you, we
work?
said cheer them picnic and for me, you know. Yeah, man, I believe so. The last one, me didn't think of mine, but trying to do the DNA now, my mind come on for that now, and I feel me.
Mm-hmm.
But the other 3, I believe they are mine because they are my complexion and then tall like me.
Hi.
So, I believe they are
Well,
mine.
and you did go there?
Yeah, we go there every year. We go there until we top, you know.
Eh?
We cut off fight, you know.
Okay.
But what bun me now, how she rob the money and me not get no tight.
That
bun
bun you?
half of me work so hard. Me used to wake up the yard and collect them money, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But the woman trick me
Mm-hmm.
and tell me say one rat run on my bed, just come kill the rat and me go out. And me go in there. The woman naked, the woman drop a towel.
Why? Hey.
And me couldn't control it.
Mhm.
And me say, boy, sit down,
Mhm.
sit down, don't get up.
Mhm.
The woman grab me, and when he grab me, alarm just Holy.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
As me going in 5 minutes, boop,
Oh God.
fly off.
Is that true then?
And then 2 weeks after, me see mama vomit. Yeah. Me say, me just buy one bottle of champagne 2 weeks after. And say, boss, we are celebrate your wife pregnant. Oh, boy, me say, when me I celebrate with me, I run water. Because me I say, if I saw me I do somebody else husband, just imagine a man I do me that with my home in the yard. That's why I had no man to work on my yard when they
God.
go work.
Oh God. Oh,
Because they would take your woman under your roof.
all especially when you not do it right. Not true. At that time they would take your woman. Not true. You can't have a man
Wow.
work in your yard.
Wow,
No man, but me agree with you.
No, me not agree with
No, but you know what to take
you.
it.
And the woman them fast still.
You don't want me again, Papa?
No,
You don't want me again?
No, me never want you.
You sure?
You take time,
You
one.
sure?
No, one.
Papa, you have to thank you though, because you put a smile on my face
man,
and
what?
me sex. You sure?
Bring her money.
Go long.
Wow, don't chat too much sometimes, yeah, man. Achoo. Sure.
I'm glad you're there in the yard too. How you know want to talk to too. Certain things are going around here, I'm gonna like it here. So make today be the last me hear your father name come out to your mouth and foreign and things to me. Here. Me don't want to hear about it no more.
Mother, you know, if you know, say daddy love you.
Me not done till you stop talk about him.
He soon start write love letters and come here. Just wait. Daddy love you. So you must know what you want to do.
Me don't want to hear. Me tell you what me don't want to do.
Me
Me
say
don't
love
want to
you.
hear about him no more. You reach 18 now. He must start pay off him debt. He not reach it yet. Eh?
Which
I want to
place
take
I
you go foreign. If you forgot foreign, I gotta go help you. I gotta go help me or somehow, but you're not gonna nowhere foreign with him.
Mr. Daddy love you.
Where you come be there for? Eh? Where you come back with that for?
Cause I told the man love you and he so start love letter send come to you.
Oh, so I stutter me
Sure.
the stutter. I stutter when me tell you say me don't want to hear about him no more. Cover your mouth.
What you yell at me for? For truth?
Me don't want to hear about that, the junker, yeah?
Sure.
You see me talk to him, whatever, that's between you and him. But you see this foreign chat with him, and I stop your trafficking of my girl. But me know him. And me know him better than you.
Me say man love you.
Girl, come out to his side. With that. Come on, don't tell you. And you see the next time two I make four, me don't want this conversation again. Ever. Here? Lift up.
Me tell you say man love you, yeah.
Lift up, man. Lift up before me lift you up.
You don't know good man.
Me say if you lift up. I can come for Prince, girl. Hey. My phone might be like, you know, yeah. I know how to make me smile. Girl, I don't me I tell you, me have a little me have a little gossip for you too. You know the one Suzette? Yes man, the one with the bragger picnic them. Yeah. Papaya tell me say she do DNA test. Only one belong to the man. A jacket and tie. Yes. Yes. She a really idiot. I ain't not get better than that. You know who the other three belong to? Not the one Papa him. Yeah. I mean, no offense to Papa. Ooh. Yes, my girl, she did. I don't know what she got to know. She have to go find the owner. But the one Papa him I take claim for three. Me know, like saying him I fire nothing but blank. Blank pencil. Alright. We have to go. But daughter come and want a little attention. Alright. A little more before you're back, I'll tell you the rest. I wanna know.
What happened?
Oh God. We just are here. You know hear about Suzette. But the DNA test me there, and out of the 6 rugrats, one belong to the man. But still, she idiot, eh? How she go do DNA test and she don't know the real result? And she knows say there's a question. Oh well, but you the fan.
But me like you talk and laugh on your phone though. As someone see and daddy live.
Let's start again. Read up and now.
Me I tell some like you just talk and laugh on your phone a while ago. Someone see and that they talk and laugh.
That Claire me I talk to. Your auntie Claire, my best friend. How are?
I daddy me I talk about clear right now.
Pickney, come here. Me never tell you yesterday, said done the argument with that. What me say yesterday? Me I talk to myself, me I stutter.
I daddy me I talk to me not about no auntie clear right.
Yeah, I'll give the Pickney a second chance and take more drink than me drink. Figure time for your brain for locking. And you still come with the same foolishness.
I'm not fooling. I really talk.
Real talk this, eh? Me no want you already.
Mommy, stop it, me no.
So that me have to go, don't forget little sense in your Pickney. Eh? Now yesterday me come on and tell you the same thing. And you come with it again. How you love perplex people brain so? You want more? Mention him again.
Put down your dirty slippers.
Mention him again now.
Put down your dirty slippers.
Let me rise it again and see if I know my foot in it to you. I don't know what kind of dope it is.
You love rice or food, them there so the mouth drop off. You love rice food.
No give me no reason to. Don't give me no reason to. Here.
No, I get no reason.
Right, okay.
Anyways,
Alright.
sorry I go for you today.
Well, I might go check my little friend and put an extra smile on my face. I'm not now ruin my day, you know.
What's your girlfriend?
Don't worry about that. We have my friend. You think so you one can catch man?
Oh, see, man. No wonder you know that if you come back here. Cause you have man.
Me tell you, little girl, run out far for this man. Every minute woman happy or complete perfect man. Come out to this man. Oh.
Daddy, why you not say over the me come sell her?
I sell him. Tell me I have to go foreign. But go and pay documents them.
How come me come over there for food?
Come over there for food them. Yeah, you say me I do it a while ago. Come say me do it a while ago. Me I sell it. I don't own it anymore.
So yeah,
me
sorry
I
for.
me I got. I'm tell you say. Me I go back over foreign. You better come down for.
Oh.
So where documents them there?
No.
What do you mean, no?
You forgot to ask mommy for them.
You have to go-
Anyways, listen, me have a yard, you know. Me over there talk about how much he like, you know. And how he miss when I used to back it up on him. Yes. I'm sure one picture when you and I did a hug up on him and I tell me say how him panty wet. So you have to go good and go check her, you know.
Shouldn't I miss them at all? Miss call or what? You shouldn't I miss them? Or what kind of backup you at all? Like when you back up, go drop off something? Hmm?
No. You know what me I talk about.
So you mean by panty wet? Mean to water pan or something?
No, I wait for you.
Wait
He
for
miss
me.
you,
You
yes.
can't miss me. Me must have my life change now.
Anyways.
You have sisters and brothers far and wait for you want to meet you. What, come on. What?
Me tell you say I have to go good on your car, you didn't miss you.
I don't have time for she right now. The people say me, are you me a pray right now? Go foreign, different life for you. You can you bring a brother them and your sister them on some style. And she say yeah.
When this done with me, we go for the to meet them. But you have to go good on them.
No, me not think
Good on you go back it up on
Back it
mine.
up
If
on
that
what?
not turn up, you use your tongue.
Should I tongue them? Is that tongue ya?
Yes.
Why is it not easy? Say it again. For use.
Me say, go on down, you go check her.
Yeah.
And if that not stand up, you use your tongue.
You're right. What can I come back here, so? What kind of tongue me for use? Where you some for do again?
Never say no.
Oh. Come, people say me want. Come, go on down.
Yeah, let me.
You're too bright and no manners. You told me go for and go live me in a white boy, me a Jamaican same way. No ball, no ball, man, no ball. No manners.
No, yes, me.
No manners and no put in a talk about you go. What's up for your mouth again? What go on now, babes? What you say you come check in what you say? Me about it, me hear talk big good things about me, you know.
What you turn around for? Me never tell you, say. No mention him. What you bring him round here for? Dirty dog, me tell you something I want you, me no want you, and my life me no want you, and me here talk to pick the outer street, man.
Say that I tell life on you then.
Must say, me no want you. Me no want.
Come make up back keep, man. Nobody move so.
Make up what?
Yeah, one daughter we have.
Make up what?
Yeah, move so.
Let me tell you something. I have my king. Me no want you. Better man look after me right now. Better man give me what me want right now.
But, you know, they might get what's left, but they just give me one thing get on done. What's left they want get, you know? You see a bit in it and out it and in it,
So
you know.
me no want no other what left, eh? The amount of Jezebel and girls you suck out, eh? And then you're no. What you really bring him round here for, Sasha?
You know
What you bring him round here for?
I papers them compass still, because they know say that I go
Hey,
foreign.
man.
Which one papers?
The papers
Which
them,
papers?
they bring a go foreign. What you mean?
You figure what the judge say? Eh? How much
Judge-
time we go to court and judge tell you say you not fit enough to be a father?
That's how they then.
Yeah.
No one know.
No one know you not get no papers and you not get me. So call long. Lift up.
No,
Bye
it's
bye.
like people say me come.
Hello,
Nobody with that,
no man,
Listen,
give me the paper. Them, you block me traffic. Me want to go foreign. Me want to left your son.
What kind of traffic you talk about?
Or she me attack to.
Future.
Yeah,
The traffic that they have
future.
for you. Future.
You block me future.
Me not block nothing for you. What is for you can't unbe for you. I true you not looking at the mirror hard enough, you know. You not realize, you know.
I mean, me looking at me every day.
You me not get no papers for go where with what? With
No,
what?
my father. Look how much you can file for you too, you know. If it's
You're not-
insecure.
You can go foreign. I would be so happy and proud for you all when you come back with your twang. But me not send you nowhere with that there. Eh? Looking at the mirror, my girl.
Mama, me looking at me every day.
What you talk about?
Where you talk about?
You still there in front of me.
You no behave with yourself. Stop here. Stand up right here. Something like that.
You what?
No tight one and I stop me future.
Yeah,
Me want to go foreign.
Let go this.
Let go
Let go
what?
this. You each 80. Me will come to your eye and break your hand. Let go this.
Stop who? Listen.
Let go this, man.
Give me-
Oi. I'm sorry. Let go this.
Me say fi stand up.
Me a give
Girl, let go this. I want.
Me a give to you, you know,
Let go
little
this.
girl. Me and your mother, you know. Let go me, you know. Me all alive, you me give you life. And me will take your life, you know. You don't know me and who, you know, little girl.
Mama.
Me a madu man, you know, little girl. Me a madu man. Eh? And you bring in the crosses in the
Strong
yard. And then you drape me up. You don't know me and who, you know. Me a madu man, you know. Me a madu man, you know.
Daddy.
No do it to me, you know.
Listen me out.
Daddy.
Oh.
I feel, but I'm really.
Don't touch me, man.
I'm not to touch you.
Not touch me. Which
What you
part
mean
me
by?
stutter? Me stutter.
Just a while ago. Listen, me I come back a morning for people.
Nobody come back, you're not cross the line. She at 18. You not have to deal with me to deal with her man. You
Just
not
give me
get,
paper,
you
Mr.
not
Willis.
get no
We never
paper.
deal with it.
For bring me picnic, go foreign to your concubine them. Eh?
Concubine them.
Me concubine them that me and you left for.
About that.
You know, bring me picnic, go sell her out, you know.
Alright, listen, you know what?
18 or not, you know, bring me picnic, go sell her out. Go looking at the mirror, man, and left me alone, man. Go looking at the mirror and find the truth, my lord. And left me alone, man. Leave me and me pick me alone,
What
man.
you talk about?
Go looking at the mirror and find the truth, my lord, and lift up.
You just stop me.
You're going inside, man. Hi. And before you go inside, you ever put your hand on me again? Unalive that.
Well, stop.
You pass your place with me, little girl. Right.
Mother. Listen, I'm sorry for jail for paying up and tell a lie. But I can't bother you. If you stop blaming me future man, see there, my future mash up, me can't go nowhere.
Me now blight your future. I save me, I save you.
Anyways, me need a long talking. Me I go on the road.
String bean, what?
You come like say every time I come check your fair yard, you always want me to come check your phone to person.
Yeah, I don't really like your me. They beg too much. You're talking. Oh, hey, Angela, laddie.
I remember about that one day.
Osh. Talk on.
I say, girl, I get one new idea, but it not work. I tell my father lies and mother say I want him back. And oh, she miss him. So me meeting when me I go up the road and me came over my yard. One heap of tumble down, my love. My love. One heap of something
You
happen.
know, so sometimes I wonder if I buy them by your they switch at an hospital.
What you mean by
They
that?
have no sense.
I Mommy no sense.
What you tell him, say?
Me tell him some mommy want him back.
After all those years?
She miss him and them something there.
You know, no sense, girl. Wait, they ain't believe you?
He didn't believe me can come over there.
Then your papa no sense, see that?
I don't know that's why me a damn idiot. If me a idiot, I hit me take care.
So it work out properly?
No, it never work.
I put it for the girl. Some for eh? Some for food.
No.
Give me hour.
Oh,
Me a
Sasha.
make.
I'm a father.
What can you like come and tell me, say?
Look at you.
What you mean by? Oh, digger.
Hey, young man, what are you doing to this little girl?
Come for your share too.
Young man, young man, listen.
Come, lift up.
Oh, hey.
Later.
Sasha.
Come on there. How do you come to how are they? Yes, I like them big. Mad somebody there. Come on.
Yeah, right now my mother.
What they?
Girl. My father fly down and find what they right? If you come for me. My mama, she no want give up my papers them so my father can carry me go foreign. I thought about say, oh, she now make him carry me go foreign because her body shape him will make me go over there go sell.
Your mother alright?
I don't know. Yeah, that's a good question, but I don't know.
To be honest, right now foreign better than Jamaica now, are we?
Girl, I want to go to that thing, but you man not give up pass. He not give up pay for them. No, he not give up.
Also, just them that you want to go foreign?
Yeah, just the paper them no more. The man about everything already, just the papers them in hand. And she not give them up.
But you know no sense. You're food, man.
What make me nonsense?
You don't know which one you mother keep it birth papers in them.
Yeah?
So you block your own off traffic. You didn't know that? So you know, say you could just take it up and carry go give your father. You didn't know that? That work, you know?
Right, it girl, I don't see her true.
I know, say it true.
Actually, not
Yeah,
because...
well, like, you know, just take your power when she asleep or something and just go on and carry go give your father. Simple.
I mean, I have to wait till him asleep either. I can't just take up here and go again because she had it. She have a new man now, so from she meet the man, she had it in her yard.
That will, yeah, there you go.
Good, thank you very much.
Yeah, alright.
Yes.
Your back sounding too.
Oh, step over one.
You come?
The stepper.
We really just come to you.
Food over yard.
Listen, put respect to my name. Put respect to my name.
Stepfather.
Good.
Food over yard. I'm hungry.
You're not too the last time you check your adult.
And the last time I check, you live under my mama roof.
Me not give a damn if me live on the mama roof.
You're supposed to cook, carry money in, buy food, and make sure me alright because my mama gonna work.
So you
And you are work, and my mama work.
So you expect them to turn over yard and cook for the one big old hee-haw where you walk around and take John Brown, Tom Brown.
Oi! Stop
Bam,
it right
bam,
there, so. Stop it right there, so. Me don't know who you think, maybe, but I don't even know John Ginger or Gin Brown. When me left the yard, where you think a man me go to? So when you left the yard, the woman you go to? So Stacy you go meet now.
Who name so?
Who name John Brown? Who name Jimmy Jumlo?
Anywhere you go, John Brown name is the number one topic. If you go in a Western Union, yesterday show an example with John Brown. If you go to MoneyGram, I see anything. They show an example with John Brown.
Let me get a statement right. Me don't know what you think, maybe, but me don't know man mattress or no comment to mattress. So when me left the yard, and my friend me ever walk upon, and God help me and she, cause me don't know she's so salty. She go through something there.
Hello, you know what I say? If you're on a young girl, you can learn to cook. Go over, light the stove. Put on anything where you put on, watch it. If you don't want to burn up, stand up over it until it's done cook. You know, move. It's when you see, do not move until it's done cook. Tired of
Where you go now?
Me I go about my business, me and my one big man.
You know, so that's why you're stepfather and not father. Because you could never be my father. Me hungry. From morning, me not eat, you can send me around stove. Me when I don't even know if I like the stove.
Oh, let me.
All when me at 20 and my mother roof I live under.
So what does that have to do with me? Me and your mother did the concern, me and
So
your mother.
me ask you, so when my mother go eat when she coming in? She fi go over stove?
You see, that's why flying in a belly, and I tell your mother, say, like how the father run off. Flash away and make me just give you.
My mother is an idiot. Any day me and your man breed me and run off and me there with that in the man and the man tell me so me fi dash my pit. Me not me a left you. That's why you step and not real. You know, serve no purpose. I mean not run, me not run.
Say it again.
That's why you step and not real.
One night, you're bright. You need to run. You need to run. Trying to be loyal soon. Yeah.
Oh, Shani's stepfather. Come here. Oh, where am I go? Shani's stepdaddy.
You don't know morning, afternoon, night. You don't know none of that something your mother don't brought up. That's why your mother, you see your mother, and them, you know, cause the reaction we don't know, people don't know come have no manners. Eh? You know where your father?
Me call you come here.
You know your father? How your mother the hide you? Your mother the hide things, son. You know where your father?
Sorry, me call you come here and lecture. Where you lecture me from?
Where?
Yes, me know my father.
Where your father?
Jawbone.
Whoa.
Sure.
Where your father?
Jawbone.
Where you think say your father?
Cause that my mother say my father.
Hey, anybody jacket chuck them there, I them there.
So
Anybody jacket chuck them there, I them there.
So what
Me just a pick them up soft. Every father has them look for the gelding chuck. I'm gonna drive you up. Like you look on Jabon and say Jabon your father something alright.
Anyways. I mean, you had been there going, but me thirsty and me talk. You can't get $1 for buy one water. Please.
$1?
Yeah.
Me not no change. Else me not give the dollar. Me not have a change. Yeah, or next time me get $1. $1. Well, at least a big small still.
And a $1.
Oh.
$1 can't even buy sweetie.
You say you beg $1 to buy a juice. Right? A Jamaican, me there now. You say you beg. Me know say Jamaican you ask. Me not have $1. I tell you I don't have no change. I can't change $1,000 for $1. I can't go and shop go buy something for $1 and get back $9.99. Yeah? So, you have to learn before you come on the road and beg. You how much?
18.
You're 18.
Yes.
You can cook? No, you can't cook then. You can wash?
Yeah, we can wash.
You can wash?
Yeah.
Where you wash first?
My panty them.
And then from the panty to what?
My clothes.
So you know no bra, you know wash bra.
No, me no wear bar, me wear body clothes.
So you know wash your body blows before you wash your clothes then.
No, washing machine wash them. Me I thought I'm washing hand.
With hand.
Yeah.
Wash your jaws then.
Yeah.
You use scrub brush.
No, I can't use brush panty make out clear the 18.
You just use the soap and wash it.
And fab.
I know me know how to get germs and nasty look. What are you? What? You nasty, disgusting. Man, know what kind and can't wash out them the middle panty there. And I scoop like what? Eh? Yeah, scoop.
That's so big.
Evelyn. Evelyn, what one?
What me do you, Lord? What me do? Every time you try get little joy in my life, you say me cross with you. What you want?
So me can't call for my friend.
So if you look for your friend, what you do yourself?
So I'm to look for you. Me know which part to find you. You give me a number. How me I go phone you? You change all the old time number when you used to have.
And you still not get the hint.
What kind of hint?
Papa, the only reason you come round on my yard is when you want something or you carry news. I mean,
Well, I kind of half right. You kind of half right.
me not nothing figure, me try.
No, and that, me no want nothing from you, you know. Cause right you know you that take $1 from me right now. Cause if your daughter can beg $1, you will take
Not rank
$1.
yourself with me, but my daughter beg you $1.
Me say me just walk up my stepdaughter a while ago. Right? Cause I'm bright and face, the big old 20-year-old and me if you took whole game. While in Jan take man. Me see your daughter with 2 boys and I come out of an unfinished building. I'm going to have 3 boys because him not come out. And just see 2 of them come out. Pull up pants. And she a jump or look up. Me never underpants or washing her. But it just looks scary. And the bonnet. Me don't know what it is. Why these girls nowadays are wearing bonnet right through? I want them friend and them natural here.
Why you love people business so much? And most of the things you chat the
Our
true,
people
you
business
know.
love me, you know. Our people business love me. Me no love people business and me no chat people business.
No, you come find yourself clear me yard, Papa. Me in a me in a my private conversation.
Anyway, why you don't get the picnic documents them? Make your father taking God
But you know about that.
Let the people business come to me. Me no run down and me no chat people. You notice me not chat nobody. You notice me not chat nobody, me just say something. Hold on, let me answer that phone here.
Can't you
Hello?
see that?
They hang up.
And you still not get the message. People don't want to talk to you, Popeye.
What?
And come out to my businessman. Is she me for send my one daughter go there? Him not include minor when she before she 18.
Relax
Him don't
yourself.
know nothing about minor. You know you want to talk people
Well, let me see if I
business.
find her number. Oh, me can't. Me didn't think me have it. Sorry. Me didn't think me have it. Me didn't think me have it. Me not have it. Me not have it. Me didn't think me have it. Me that show you approve with the I come out with the two.
Mommy!
Yes.
Baby.
That's why I say a good girl. You know. She's a good,
No,
respectable girl.
you just said something right now, so defend me.
What happened?
Me tell your man, I
Defend
say, if you give your father the documents, your father can take it to foreign. Because you're a good, intelligent girl.
Yes.
And you're very intelligent. And
Come out, I'm a family business, yeah?
what kind of family?
Please and thanks. You're not response for this and this not have nothing to do with you. I have 3 people involved in this topic and you are not one of them. Come out to my family business, man.
Mommy,
You
if you
love
give me
chat.
papers, them for choose. Yeah. I want fly out. I want go in the sky.
Get your opportunity. Get your work. Get your job. Get some other opportunity other than the
Me want
deadbeat. Me now
apply
send me
more
over
often.
there for Google
I
Lost.
want fly out.
Yes, you're gonna fly out. Me not stop you.
I don't want to stay here, so.
Me not stop you. But you're not going with that the junk crowd.
I me a go with.
Well, me want to know how when me have your papers. So go along then now.
Okay.
Grow wings now, let me see your wings. Spread your wings and fly then now.
I don't know wing right
Fuck up your wings them and spread them and fly,
I
man.
can't go in the house because I can't bother with you right now.
Hey, how are you doing my picnic? Hey, how are you doing my picnic?
What? Why you tear off me by the top of me, sir?
No, me understand. No, me understand why you don't wear
Come to me
bonnet.
yard, man.
No, me understand why you don't wear bonnet.
Come on, man. Nobody not send call you.
What
I'm not sure
man?
me call. I'm gonna definitely call the
Why?
phone.
No, me understand why you put on bonnet.
No, me see what make a damn front teeth.
Go on, me will deal with
Go on.
it. Don't ever do that
I see
again,
that,
you know.
You know, and see a part. Yes. No, me see.
Now come
me
do
see
that in the yard again, you know. Now touch my picnic, you know.
Anyway, we're not talking about that. Hey, the stepdaughter mother, you know, since she not there, she there fine, right? And a long time, you know, do nothing. So, me and your friend, long time, and we know one another, right? You know, so me not cheat. But, you can squeeze, give me, for now. And when the woman come back, we left, right? Cause I'm not born that, you know, I'm not born near here. She there foreign, right? Me don't know what she do a foreign. Me there and you there. Sometimes you know you want to get the water. And me there have the hose. So all you have to do, I link me down the yard, me send on my stepdaughter on the road. You give them the money, they go shop and do what they want to do, and me go and do the do.
1,
Huh?
2, make me get to 3 and me tell you the answer. Papa, lift up out of this. Lift up. You may look like whore to you. Me look like cheap whore to you. Lift up, man. Dirty dog. I say me not have my good man to look after me. Sasha, come let me talk to you. You see the picture you sent me now? Oh Lord. Well, me, when I got to do that there? She inside.
No, me not come to see this time. You may come to.
You don't know where you come to me for me and you know.
Come out of your phone, man. Come out of your phone,
What you
man.
want?
What mean, man? More the papers, them. You mean, you want the papers,
You're
them?
deaf as well as stupid.
If I'm stupid, listen, man. Me tell you, come around and go around and back and forth thing with the right. Just give me papers, them, man.
Where you did there
Where me know
when
me did there?
Sasha was born. Where you did there when she little. Where you did there when she grow up. Where you did there when school uniform.
Listen, man, you know what type of work I do. So you know, so I can't stand when I back and forth to make it bread. And I look out for my life now, so I can't sit up, bam, and bring. How much man you know? We're uplifting our life. The company people bring me go far to make a thing with life.
You're a taker, best style. Huh? A picnic, you want a picnic, you get a what you want, you
Listen,
can't
I have
get
two
it.
over there already. This one I know.
No, see,
this
you're not
one now, so the one I can. If you listen, man, if you go over there and I like when you can come back in. I don't have a problem with that, you know. Really, me want, you know, just listen, man.
Yeah, exactly. I know you want her.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want her. I forgot to know.
No, chef, no, if family them.
You give you a picnic and you know one race picnic.
What do you mean
you
by
just
me no
want
race
picnic for
picnic?
style. Come
What kind
here,
of
big daddy can look at me, me not shoot no blank, eh?
Well,
You think it's a picnic for Christmas?
if you say one picnic, a picnic. Me have two more about foreign.
Yeah, you don't mind them
What do you
neither.
mean me not mind them neither? What do you mean me not mind them neither?
What you do you then? What you picnic
come
yam
for
for
she.
dinner? No.
She come for take care of a better life.
Better life
Yeah,
we
hold
do.
me in a life, man.
Hold on with what me protect her.
Protect him
And I
from what?
save her from you.
what?
We know what kind of work you want her to go over there, you know.
Kind of work one thing
Like
over
how
there.
she young, black and beautiful and have a little mosquito bite them. Eh? You can't even make a little mosquito bite them grow into a wasp bite first.
What you try to tell me?
Well, yeah. Me know you know.
What you tell me? I pimp.
If the cat
They
fits.
go pimp out my daughter. Eh?
Come out to me, yard,
Before me come
man.
pimp
Me
out
don't know
you, if
what
you
me
don't want to pimp
do.
somebody. If you don't want to pimp me, come pimp you.
Hey, you can't get me again.
Look much
Me
money
learn
now.
my it is
Much money me have a
it is
daytime
a
for me.
chicken feed
I
again.
Jamaican say, I can't something. And give one ketty, one trip. They say, oh, come on, we got a forest then.
Go look after your picnic, them your brag
Them alright
and boys.
over there
Aye, what
already.
them yam?
Where we then?
What them yam?
Still.
Okay, how you know?
I can't tell you that. I'm pay for that.
Oh, how you know?
I'm
Go look
me
after the
pay
picnic,
that.
them you have. She a
Get
big
the youth.
woman now.
Big man, get you.
Remember that coming to me yard again,
Listen,
man. I come
we can't
perplex
bother
with them.
back and forth. It's not hard,
Me with
hard,
dash
hard,
dirty piss
hard.
pan you, you know.
Dirty piss for who?
Come in to me yard again and we chop piss water pan you. Me and you now have to
People
talk.
off, not look over your argument. You want pay, man?
You should have known about
Take the
paper
papers
when
in, brother.
she
Come on,
young.
left right now.
Met me.
Where you left?
Met me. She hear you out here, so, oh, Sierra. I don't know why you can't meet her
Well,
at the
not nice out here,
street.
pa.
Why you enticing me? I don't go to walk and thing out the street, me not stop on the front talk. Why you have to come in and come perplex my brain?
Get the papers there, I'm going to forget yet.
She not give me them.
You don't find them.
She
You're
not
not
give me
going
them.
to either.
She hide them.
Oh dear, oh shh.
Mommy no say I hold on in your life no. You hold on. You hold me down. What make you know when me travel? Tell me.
Me tell you
What-
something, you
what
can't
wrong?
travel.
Why you don't want me to go travel with my father? Why?
You can travel, you can do the world. Not with that. Can lick from this. When you trap over there and a ball or nose knot and eye water.
God.
Me can't help you. Coming on no visa, me can't help you. You got stuck over there. Save me and save you. Me I tell you, no go look in the mirror and come out to my face, man. Sure.
Every day talk about Miriam.
You go looking at it here, you go up in it, you can find out, go solve the code. When you solve the code, you come out to me live.
Hold on, because Miriam come on phone, you know.
You know, say you not stop holding me down for anything, me bad. You not stop holding me down.
Black and push your hands up a little bit in our style. What you mean? Crack piece of code, but I'm not cooking code fully. Talk to me now, man.
Lift up. And that talk me, I talk to
Think
you.
good.
Lift up and don't come back here.
So
Come me have the
pass the
chimney
papers,
full
no?
for you. Me I save the chimney for you. Me I save the chimney
wanna
for you.
come back?
Come back, man.
Bring the papers.
Come back, man. Come back and see if you not get the chimney. All you.
Pass up the papers them so me can go. How am here? How are you now want me go? What happened?
Little girl. You want to continue to breathe?
Me want go away.
You want to continue
Me
to
no
be
want
able to
stay
breathe?
yes sir, yes
You-
sir.
Yeah, I
when
tell
me-
you if you say, go along then now.
Then give me my papers.
If you go with him, you must be mad. You go thank me later. Go along. You dead beat Papa wait for you. Go along. You make him wait. The mother make him turn back round and come and wait for you.
You not got to come and tell me get there.
Well, me go tell him say, him come me I go dash dirty piss in him face. Me want him already. Oh. Come mess up my hands. Chop.
Man, watch out. Jam boat. To me last, you know, 100,000 just get a while ago. I can't look at it and smile. When I can have a woman, I call I said no money for you. Eh? I said, go. As much as we hate you, we are still to the But, the reason why me hate him, I'll tell you why me hate him.
Yeah, tell me now.
Because you really want to know. Why is the top perplex woman? You are the one left. Top perplex are about now, documents and this and that. Me want her to top perplex her. Because every time I look at her,
Hold on, stick up in. You want her.
yeah.
But remember say you have filming. So if you want the
You stress and faith.
say me know say have filming.
You and I go to hospital go push it out.
Me not figure out stuff because I mean not the pushing. She already pushing. Me done left in her belly already. She can push it out.
What are you left in that belly?
What time
What are you left in? What time we fertilize? What time she start vomit? What time she have high fever? What time she start go to clinic? You know all of them stuff there?
The same time when she got clinic and same time everything happened at the same time in.
That with you know, see you. You see, on a man, when you not take up, oh man, I'm not sure, oh man. You did do, you ever, every time, I ask if you do that, you know, every time.
I mean if you do that, I can look and see if you have me.
Anyway, another one talk about top perplex time. Me don't want you
No, man, not perfect, sir. Remember, listen, watch you know. When she just born, you know, she could have flag off her and didn't know the time there, you know. So she had got school same way. So, you know, so from she had got school, she go to school and turn school and got foreign.
Oh, so I don't sorry.
Yeah. Because if Benji I met daddy, nobody feel like Benji I met daddy. You talk about 100,000. I used to deal with daddy. Yeah, but you say for juice, what that?
One bird can't fly for 1 minute.
Alright, me back. Keep walking.
Because we say bird can't fly for 1 minute.
Make you have bills. If you can't, you bust in a half, 15, in a 1 half, 15, and try to flap.
Alright, give me back.
No, you lose it.
No man, give me
No,
back.
man,
man.
you're ungrateful, man.
That's why young man go get jacket. And that's why other man get jacket because of me and mangy. That's why they come on to uno to spend money on to mangy.
What you mean by
But they know people money you borrow and account to
people
food.
money, me
And you know what I mean? Now over $100 US. You think you see you?
People
You're smart,
money.
you know. You're very smart.
What you mean by? Listen, my man. I work my money, you know.
Daddy, can I reach a bit?
What kind of question I have to say?
Okay,
Oh, I pay up and over for my yard. What do you yard?
up a yard, me did that come.
Backside,
Yeah.
you're the head man.
Yeah, me do me.
She go ahead.
How are you doing?
Yesterday, I went to see the part. You know, see a part?
Oh, in
You know,
Moses.
yes. So I did look. Anyway,
Daddy,
What?
more dollar to buy something. Great.
backside.
Dada,
Mommy now give me nothing to eat.
me give your mother every money if you get, your mother have that.
Well,
Until
you know,
me
give me
get
nothing
it
to
that, you know, put no much about no money, you know.
Yes,
Because,
You sleep on that. You sleep on that
What do
way.
you mean?
Oh, you interested to fly out here picking at 18 now? What happened? How?
You may happen.
Why you want to fly out them a time of year? Why? How what happened?
I'm not
Left for make the man then get up and fight man. How what?
So you tell me say, yeah, they don't got prison. Me and my ensure that you got jail. If
So
you ever
you
hear a
know-
name called upon it,
So you think
it will be 20.
we can look all right
Me
now.
have a good lawyer, you know. You have
Anyway.
money can back up a talk.
This is girl have muckers.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Listen man, when me gonna do, so me gonna
Yeah,
talk, so me
come
snitch
on.
around me and me come on.
Daddy, me hungry.
Me say go to your mother.
You watch it.
Hey, nah, give me nothing to eat.
You hear about Maury show?
Who?
Maury show.
Maury.
Uh-huh.
Think me about Jerry.
No, me don't know Jerry shit right now. And it's not a mix-up business. I don't know bullshit me I talk about right now. Me I talk about Maury. You need to check that.
No, I need to think of Maury man.
Daddy, me very hungry.
Me say go take your mother for that.
He nah, give me nothing to eat to death.
Well, after the one them there, look, get the papers and me gain the money you want.
You know how me I look at that?
Mm.
You just a think about the little black oysters them.
Me I can't go down back.
You know, go on.
You know,
It's big
cool.
people are reason.
Yeah.
Go on down.
You ugly cow.
All this she I say you ugly, you know. You just a look at she and I wonder who she feel right now. But me I tell you the truth.
I'm my daughter says, you have to know.
Me I look at her and I feel like
Baby,
you might water the belly.
yeah,
But she know she's not here.
I feel mate, man. I feel mate, man. Me sure, 100% sure. If you keep on talking about that, me go sue you for that.
You know mind.
You know, man?
One of mine somebody can make a photo. It's a long time I want to make a money. Can me go there?
I'm here to sue you know.
Huh?
I'm here to sue you, me to have money.
Yeah, but when you go there and you sue me if you tell the truth, because sue you now, if you try, if you sue me if you tell the truth. So you go both ways. So
Oh,
try.
yeah.
That's all you're telling me.
I feel mate. Me go there, me post off the night and then after, give it that.
And you did the right through the 9 months.
Eh?
You did the right through the 9 months.
Back and forth, back and forth.
Liar!
What me my liar?
Me over there. I watch your picnic there, according to your picnic. Your picnic nappy. I watch your picnic because the mama couldn't wash. The mama is sick and I me cook. I know how much money she look for me and give me the day. 100 Jamaican dollar to buy one drink. And the kind of drink ain't cheap. One. Take yourself one, because that's why uno man go forever get jacket.
What's it? Okay,
And on top get jacket.
my jacket can run this. I look here, see two of we are like. I feel mate.
What you do for that stuff?
But they are lecture people. What you do out of the yard?
Me hungry. I no they done the fit eat.
Let's check. Oh, you want to buy a burger? Yo, wait, let's go back. Give me a second. I'll be back. Wait a second. Money for my burger. Don't move. Kind of right after. Don't move.
Hold up me and find out. There's no real context along for I want to look up $1,500 conking when we just go buy one burger. We don't know time, but we know more than an hour to get this stuff. Why, oh boy. Beside me, you have to pick up a good man, you know. Because every man may take up an idiot. How in this so long? Kuwan din malabal na gusto na. Masin, may boxer, ganun. Miss Charmian.
Yes, baby.
Hi. Yeah, me kinda alright. You see Mr. Frank? He said if you kinda try to sell him a come with the money for me go buy a burger. But about 3 hours, 4 hours now, me don't know time Miss Charmian because a long time. So we did a count how much time in bamboo swing and me pass 5,000.
Judge,
Me no
Him
know.
have you out here so it. But you don't know him by now.
The same soon come.
You don't know him by now. And him have you out
No.
here like an
The
idiot.
same soon come out. Somebody did a pass. And me think say telling you and telling lady something.
And when he move, when you ask him for the money,
Remember I laugh off of me now.
oh God, baby, me not laugh after you, but if you know what me know.
You say me not
Go
really
on.
like talk to people.
No, man,
But you
go
have to
on.
tell me if you go. Hey, get back your $1,500. I $2,000.
How much?
$2,000.
$2,000. All right, turn up there. Hold on. Me I go find your stepfather gate you. Hold on, turn up there. Wait.
So you take me for idiot too? No, it come like take me for fool marking on my forehead.
Papa, you know, see, as I would keep because you set that up this and say, share with how much hours
Oh, you
for
gone.
come back.
You know what happened? You can't blame me still, you know. Girl to me this time from me I talk to your workplace man. But we say, we know your eye secret, you know.
I know, mama. Go on.
And you give me father's card into one. But me deep down, me know say the picking of you.
What's my business,
I
man?
love people business, I mean always
You
right.
for mind your business and look after your septic day.
Listen now,
Never
let me tell you
wait.
why she tell us away from me now. She know, tell me about she hungry, right? Half a minute say meet their yard, you know, season their yard. My mother send me 100,000, you know, a while ago when we up there so. But that have to do something different. So she, you know, come with hungry. I look like him want to tell me 100,000. She want burger, right? They have everything in the fridge. Remember, you know, the burger in the box, the chicken burger box? Me buy that.
Oi.
Me buy a pack. Me buy franks. The only thing we fit that is ketchup. So I check the little brute and say, yo, we left me I come. Told burger you want? Soon come, don't move.
Oh.
So I go to the supermarket to gain the ketchup to go cook because food not taste good without ketchup.
Actually,
So I'm gonna get this car, even if you boil hot dog, it have ketchup. But it does stupid. And the best thing when you buy ketchup and you know no pepper in it, you throw the pepper sauce down in it and shake it up.
And you make fashion.
Work out with it. Look young, get if you are 20 years old, if you go look work.
That's true. She asked me for burger money and me leave her standing there to take a leaf out to feel boo.
Right. But anyway, if you tell the man the truth, though. Tell the man the truth.
Come on to my business, man.
Yeah.
Go feed your stepdaughter, she hungry.
Alright, you don't know who
Go
hungry.
feed your picnic, she hungry. Come on
You
to my
don't know
business.
who hungry, yeah?
Come on to my business. I
I
go
will,
feed your
hey,
stepdaughter.
say something again. Make a mash up with the ketchup.
Go feed your
You think how we
stepdaughter,
check-
she hungry. See me here.
See how you lift up your foot for me the other
You
day.
want me to do it again?
Hey,
You can't do it again, you know.
Come on, you know, man.
Me Karachi, you know.
We just
Me Karachi,
bust
you
you up
know.
like that, yeah?
Eh.
We got to get you!
What is that? This come out of people business, you broke your hey. Yeah. Me know him bright and fresh. Things say me go farm fool and send my one baby go foreign with him. And him now go my exactly. No. Yeah, girl, me have that one lock. Between you and me hide the papers under the in the drawer and put some clothes on it. No man, Sasha nah go in there. And she afraid I walk like a wall. Me, if you take my one picnic and go foreign with that the dirty dog, eh? And when him gone girl in and leave her, forget about her. And me can't do nothing, me can't even go help her. No, sir. That's why I'm lock down the papers. I'm no idiot girl. Eh. Mommy. Hold on. Alright, let's phone you back.
Mommy,
Oh, what happened?
Daddy just called me a while ago.
You come to flex me with
Listen,
that.
man,
dog.
listen, man.
What?
He might fly you back. But he
You
might
now go with
listen
him.
to me, no, man. He might fly you back. But he might go and might live some money. He might give half of money. So you can use your mind.
take care of me.
Remember give me half of money for.
You know how much I have for money be? $5 million.
When him get that the bread of money for?
Me no want know where he get it from, but him a fly out, him a go and see if he run come for it now. I go right now.
$5 million?
Yes!
Me not trust you, know, but me nah make him miss me.
Yeah,
alright, tell me the
hurry
day.
up.
So come.
You think me a idiot? Think you and my father go and left me? I go and go.
Oh, you me I look for?
Where you looking for?
Where we know it broke me I look for you for?
What problem?
My daughter say, for we daughter say, you call.
I feel we know.
Well, she tell me say, you call her and say me for come down because you have money for me.
Money for
5
who?
million for me because you have fly out.
Come out to your son. Come on, take care of that. Come out to your son, man. Take care of your son. Take care of your son. Alright? You alright? Me, I go look on you and give $5 million. Think about that,
Me
man.
never believe it in but me say me nah make it pass me. Because me no know.
You know, afford about to take up pass because you will never get the money from me. Me, I go look on you
No
and give $5
man,
million.
because how you are gonna get 5 million?
No, I have more than 5 million. But me not give you 5 million. You're crazy.
Then give shorty, cause me go up at the house. Me go up at the house, go look for you, me see soul, you know. Me see the soul sign. So you have money for your daughter. So print it up for your daughter.
I also watch up there. And on my house, me tell you right now, it's not mine. I was staying in the house till the people to sell it, make up their mind to sell it or what. You know, sell it or them go rent it or them go lease it. But they make up their mind them go sell it and just move out.
Oh, somewhat you want such a passport, cause that's your passport. Can you not know where to go?
What do you mean by
So
that?
you go use me picnic to find somewhere to go. You know, go happen, you know.
Me I go use it to find something to go.
Like how you use everybody else.
Who's everybody else on dude?
You use a job and that's why I can't be with you, man. You use everybody, you use and done.
Hold on. In our first place, be look when you tell us me have both of this. Me tell us I'm mine.
Yes, sir. I feel your place. You tell me how much years ago, sir, I feel your place and you run off the place and everything, let me believe you.
Yeah, me I run off the place. Me I run off the place for show me, but tell us I'm mine. If I see me build a house here. If I want to complete a house over so, that's why I want to take him over there so he can get his name in it too.
You don't need my daughter over there to put her name in it. Put her name on it and then come show us so we're serious. When I name them on it with JP and Lion Judge signature.
I'm in Jamaica, you know. Over so. I'm not Jamaica.
Hey, you don't need her to go over there. I'm not sending
You
me
go
with
but
you.
me not 5 million to get though. You can't go on back for your yard.
Ross.
Or go on where you go my car for. Anyway you was going, you can go. About $5 million. Catch him too. I run and come down about me want 5 million. Hey. Guys, I lie. I don't tell me about 5 million. Like, tell me some is lie, man. Yo.
Daddy,
What want to know me daughter?
I'm on the DJ down there, so there.
Yes, she see one tell me about $5 million. What you talking about $5 million about learn? Me tell
Mommy.
about 5 million. What's a lie?
Listen to me now, man. I'm a chicken.
I tell about 5 million. Tell her something different.
No, that's
What
not.
about this now? What is this now?
It's something they tell me, so I'm afraid to. Yes. Come now, look in the way you
No,
look.
shut up your mouth. Look
No,
out for your
shut me
mother.
up. You know, look for no mother.
Sure.
I'm foreign me I go.
Your man, keep us dead. What is that?
Money. Money. Yes. A foreign money that.
You know, just where that money can come from?
I don't know name, so.
Oh, you soon know all this, huh? Yeah, man. Mom make up food.
Alright, man, me anxious. Say I put it back in the front. So when I got for it now. But this I make it. Go book your boat
Say,
and
hold
come
it,
on.
sir. Spin a roll. Up here, we go. Come, spin a roll. Walk up. Walk.
Evelyn.
Yeah, man, Evelyn.
I'm gonna sit for a morning, girl. What happened?
Girl,
Huh?
I know. That
How about
last
that?
day you see me.
Why?
Because me I go on the boat. Me I fly away.
From boat? Which boat?
Then
Why
no
you fly
boat.
up on boat? You know
Then
that
the day for no boat, me I fly away on a war.
We are going to go. Banana boat you talk about.
Which banana boat? No boat them in the sea.
Oh, we are go out time is like ocean.
You will catch
No.
fish?
Me I go foreign girl.
Banana boat. Matter of fact, we think of the plane we take off farm, but listen, we better cut the egg them too fast a year. So when I come, the egg there we hatch.
Remember
No
that?
country right now. When I come, she will hatch egg for you. Egg gonna hatch right now.
Wait, my phone a vibrate. Wait. What problem?
Where the look, girl?
Me that about my business.
Oh, you feel like, say, guess what? I got good news.
Okay, good for you, your good news. What is the good news?
You want the bad or the good? Because I have good and I have bad.
Talk and hurry up.
Which one you want first?
Anyone.
I remember give both of them in that one. I'm your daddy. I'm your papi.
You wanna be?
I find the papers and your mother confirm me say yes, I finished.
Stop wanna be. Man, take good if Daniel. You know me papa, you me step papa. I pick me go breed woman. As me I say to you, girl.
How are you?
I mean that is stepfather. But
Jesus. But you have to bring him in my yard. I say you hate me.
I mean I like me show me.
No, baby love. You're welcome.
Mommy, me say me I go foreign half boat.
Hatch egg
Yes.
for you now. Hatch egg for you.
Me find it. Me I go foreign.
Hatch egg for you, please.
Yep.
See your phone like that for your phone. Your phone like
Phone
a ring.
ring.
Me say hatch the egg
Phone like that for
for you.
your phone like a ring.
Hey, Charmaine! I got good news, girl.
What kind of news you have? Me and my own things are doing
Yesterday,
right now.
the girl me I stay with the mother and said money come give me. I thought it was my step, but it's not my step. I'm the full suit. It's my child. Me find the documents them in a one corner the girl. Half for me pitney. And the mother confirmed say half for me pitney. That's why she did send me a big amount of money to take care of them. Me I say yes. But guess what no?
Whoa.
Susie now. Remember somebody said half for me cheap pitney them?
Hey, you don't know your picnic then.
Guess what? You want to hear what happened?
Go on.
Somebody do.
When the keep burn them out, man.
I wouldn't
like
there.
news. Wow.
I wouldn't in that back
No
girl.
matter. Go on. Susie.
The man come do DNA for the cheap pitney them will favor me and I for the man them. The man gone foreign with them.
You're brute, yo. Eh? The ones them you claim a feel and not feel.
Yeah, but yeah, no.
Me I go foreign.
Me at least me get one, right? Yes.
None.
Good.
Hey.
So you not,
Make sure.
you not give me the son.
What?
The son.
What?
You not give me the son.
Listen, me have my own things for do.
Mommy,
Time
come
to
and
for the
find
little
fun and
smile
me I
and the
go
little
foreign.
bit of
Come
gossip.
deal with this matter. Foreign me I go pub. What? Oh, me forgot to see a plane. Sorry. Me I
What
fly
you
out.
do with that?
Hatch egg for you, the cause.
What you do with
Me
that?
find me. And he said me I go foreign. Mommy, me I
You know,
find.
no, see this way you don't fall, little girl. That's why me tell you to leave things alone.
When by don't fall. Mommy, me say me find Canadian money. Canadian.
Idiot. A Barbados money that.
Yes.
Why
I
you
need
really
the
need to
Barbie.
fly?
There's now Dominic. Dominican.
Oh, Dominican money.
Yes, Dominican.
Yeah, idiot friend.
Yes.
So me take it, you see what you know that.
Me see why not
So what you still a do, ya man?
The egg hatch.
What you still a do, ya? If you see what in the envelope, lift up.
Not saying that I got foreign.
Mommy, see me passport. Yeah.
And the passport that Miss a birth paper.
Yes, birth paper.
Me a fool friend, but me a
Guess
fool.
how? Me could have fooled you. and think say, make you think say she I feel.
Yes!
Never know say fool could have come back and fool you back. That's all.
Girl, me glad to me. Me glad to me a fly out, girl. Me
My last
glad.
name, hey, hello, you can't read. My last name is Bones. Look for
See,
me.
a big bones that.
You can't read neither.
You used to say Henry, your father.
You can't read.
Henry, you're blind and see it. Jones
Mommy, no.
Why you
Only
think
of
me
George
did I
Henry.
tell you to keep him
sir,
out of
come.
my sight?
Let me read
Looking
this.
at the mirror.
Have you planned? You know, so now I'm picking for a long
Mama,
time.
only I'm John's Henry.
You can't make
A
that
pick
own.
me you want, a pick me you get.
You can't make it my own.
Eh?
Miss Charmian.
You want.
Miss Charmian, I don't mean to be disrespectful, but
Keep her back.
I pick me one, but a jacket I give him.
Jacket, tie and coat.
You can't make a coat. Me have to pay much money back in our time then. We come and give you about 3 years worth of money other day.
Tell me now.
But that's a go, me tell you
When I
something.
go to foreign, in can't file for you, your jacket.
Look for me. That
Yeah,
is
you're
the
step
update.
on Jamaica.
Father,
Yeah,
your
man,
father is a Dominican man.
That's why it's so.
Your father is a Dominican
So when father
man.
they know.
Yeah.
Your father named Mark Joseph.
Yes,
So when
that
they
me
know,
saying
Right?
can't
Mark
make a
Joseph
Dominic.
Henry.
When they know,
Him gone, him dead.
just talk your friend. Me and you are Jamaica.
Me and him did that do you big girl now. Me and your father, your real father, did that do. And him catch heart attack in bed and dead even a me.
Miss Charmian, I
Eh?
know how to
When we get over that, 2 weeks later, I find out so I'm pregnant and I meet him. And
Miss
I tell him
Charmian.
so I don't want him and him tell me say he want picnic, so I give him picnic.
me I go home. But me want to be truthful to you. And the heart attack in catch her and that is so kill him.
Look at you come out of this. I come out of big people argument.
And that's why you did all this.
Take care and take care of your business.
That's why me I tell
Daddy,
you.
come back, Daddy. Mama, say
You still ain't got sorry. No,
That's what you do, man.
And you do it. If you never fast, where you go fast and find that? That's why me not trying to protect you
Why me
from.
cannot get jacket?
Huh? Not trying to protect you from this. That's why audience pick me for feel. Nobody never send you in my panty drawer. Or my dirty panty drawer you going at too. Well, what is in the dark? If you come in at the light, at least me not have to deal with the dirty jawbone again. Long time I not see the money still, you know.
How are you?
Nothing.
So make your face long down so.
Just a team say, you want to me, you want to look a man now. You need a father figure in your life.
No, sir. Me not think so. We are doing. Me no want no stepfather that if you go far. Yeah,
Which
that
part?
right man.
No. Me say me want a man.
I say go back for daddy.
No. Me know him is your father and everything. But Let me tell you something. You see your father to me in coming like fallen blossom. You see them tree and you see how much blossom it have and how it bear blossom enough. And all of the blossom them drop down and rotten on the ground. I say your father is to me. You want a man and you need a father figure in your life. You're coming into a big girl now.
Hold on there. Cause me not understand what you're talking about. Me not watch fruit tree. So me now see when fruit rotten and drop down.
You don't have to watch your fruit tree, baby. You're
But
doing
this is-
right. Come take your book and
I'm
concentrate.
a big girl.
Of
So if
course.
I code they're talking, I mean know all of that already. Google teach me enough. Yes. Me just
I
go
talk
on
about
Google.
nature.
No, nature I talk about.
Of course, it's nature. Me talking about the trees blossoming and blooming, and then the blossom them drop a ground, and then rotten, bad.
So since when I watch fruit tree.
If you know watch nature, you don't learn nothing in a life. And
But me not
nature
see a fruit
teach you
tree, I
things,
say.
yeah.
But that's not fruit tree. I say.
And not just yes, maybe.
Mommy, you think me head big for nothing? Listen to me. Google teach me a lot, so I know exactly what you're talking about. So stop talking a code. Me can go up on Google. Listen up. I go up on Google and me type in that, and me say everything what I want to say. Stop talking a code to me. Can me understand what you say. You might not want to tell me right way, but me understand. Google teach me. Yes.
So I just Google Yagapan for that teaching that you get. You know, get no teaching out the door.
No. Me just go up on Google when I want teaching.
Know what you're doing now? And your exam, Sasha, is your exam them. And your book you're supposed to be using Google for education.
Then me not study, me still study.
Make sure you know what you're studying, my girl.
Me study, but sometimes me studying is get boring. So I have to do different things.
Me no want you to do birds and bees and trees and blossoms on Google here. No want you to do maths and science and social studies and all them the other things on Google. That is what you ought to use it for.
Me use that for YouTube. When me search, I go on YouTube.
Here what? Go inside here.
Yes.
And nobody take your father off of your mind for that. Him is your father, and that is what him supposed to be, and the job him supposed to do. So take that off of your mind, yeah?
No, take new man off of your mind and go back to my father because I'm my best man for you.
The only thing good come from that man is you, baby girl. Me glad and me thank God say me get you. But that is it.
Me no want a stepfather, you know, me tell a friend now.
Alright, you're too young for this anyway. Go on inside.
Yeah, me go inside.
You're too young for this. Oh, Google.
Daddy, bossy.
You done already?
I mean, you done already.
You look on the time. You kind of look a bit. You're 2
Me done
minutes.
and beard off and cause me
Yeah,
I come
two-
check your car money time now.
You're done and be there, so that means you're more than 2 minutes early.
Look
so
money time. 12:30. Me done from 10:30.
We call it say you're 33 minutes early. You see, it's 2-1, man. You're trying to wait, man. You should have surprised me and come here even 1 hour after. I'm
Bossy,
thinking,
at lunchtime, get something in my stomach. Need some money. Where I say, boy, like, you know, have the money for you.
Me have the money because me be done with the money.
So, yeah, I say, boy, the money me I defend.
And me tell you, I say, I only want man come even 33 minutes after.
Why more than want to come 33 minutes after? When me done, I'm money me need to collect money. Me no need to come down here and bagger talking.
Me so you the rest. Just manage that, buy lunch, and lunch if you want buy.
So when me I get my pay,
Just relax, man.
bossy, me have whole heap of things me have need to
Alright,
sort
give me
out.
back this.
Me have whole, me go buy the lunch and forget.
Okay.
But nobody take it back out of my pay. Cause you buy me a lunch.
Oh, how tell you pay that I come from, you know?
Five days you
You're
give me.
supposed to bring your own lunch, come and work. When you go to Chinese and I
When
work,
me work at hotel and give me my own lunch, then provide taxi for me go to work. What you mean by?
you know why then give you lunch when you do the because you have nothing to do with the food, oh yes. When you go to Chinese no cook.
So you want
So you know, get
I
no
left
lunch.
over them and give them.
Yes.
Where?
Them now. What you don't know? What you don't know?
Well, you don't know. You ever work at hotel? You ever work at hotel yet?
Of course.
One thing you know if you do a build up, blow like a building block. You know work at hotel.
I was a chef.
Chef.
I worked there.
Chef. Where?
And then you see staff
Chef.
lunch.
Wait,
them-
which part you are
staff
chef?
lunch them never prepare good. And me.
Oh, you look
Staff.
for curry chicken. Explain.
Oh, curry chicken. How many about it?
That me answer.
Me I can just take up the chicken out of the fridge see when dash in the pot and curry.
See? You don't know if you curry chicken.
Oh.
You have to rub up the curry upon the chicken, throw a little seasoning and rub up it on it and in a burn little curry in the pot and dash in the pot. That's how you curry chicken. You don't know how to cook.
Let me ask you a question. You ever get a degree in chef? I have my degree.
Only degree me have over here a roll on degree. Me no have none of them sitting there.
Keep the roll on.
And you not have none, cause if you have your own sit down yourself, I give me 5 bills to go buy a lunch. You only there so right now.
You know, say your skin and bright.
Where degree there?
You know, say your skin and bright.
Show me a degree.
Let me show you a picture of my degree. Master in kitchen, best in the West. Bright. You know,
Them the man they have degree.
you know,
Them man they have degree, bro. Them man they have about 3-4 bike per road. Them the man they have degree.
so you know me at 6 car.
What?
You know me at 6 car.
6 car.
Eh? Listen me man. And that's why you're not going to reach now. You're going to forever be a machete man. You're going to forever chop people
Me
yard.
see all me tell at this your work.
And my degree make you have to come link me to chop yard. Or what? So talk to me now.
You know, me come
Talk
out
to
there.
me now.
Me come out there.
My degree give me money to pay Uno. See all the one job on. All him, they have what you mean, I love work. I love work at all. God of God.
Watch ya. You know, let me look for you. Come here, man. Come
You
here.
look for me all along.
Yeah.
Where you the belly?
Give me a meal with belly. From me, tell us that me have breed. And you give me like 60,000 for that for the belly. I don't see you back.
Yeah. You
Well,
just show the belly. That means I will breathe now.
Doctor said the belly did too late for that. So some name the money.
So what's your problem now?
Me need money
Hold
to go
on,
to
hold on.
ultrasound.
Doctor say what?
The belly did too late. So me name the money. You can't dash you anymore. So right now, me need to go do an ultrasound. Some would like some more money.
So much it cost now?
65,000.
We say 60,000 for that shit. 65 for the ultrasound. Alright. I'll check boss over here the wife still. So come on, check boss.
So me go get the money?
Go check, I'm pay me, I go find go check boss.
Okay, come. Right now, my back a hurt.
Bush me, I come from my tired, you know my girl.
Bossy.
Bossy, oi! Big man, come here, call a big man, answer big man. Hey, you know big man.
Duck life.
I just say your boss.
Me no boss, come
So
on.
that feel like man, you would know everybody business.
Bossy, I'm pay me come for you. Right, money pay right now, bossy.
What's the time?
I look for a time, boss, for my woman, belly big, one got that right now, bossy.
How long you know this girl?
You know, a couple months now, I know him. First time I breathe me, say, yo, you want that show, but make him 160 bar for that show.
Oh, this is 60 grand they come borrow from me.
Then tell him, I want
And with that
65 now.
shit, so comes the belly did it now.
You better do too late to me let me money.
Nyam
Oh,
money.
nyam the money.
He say, my bleeder now.
You should have actually nyam the belly then. She
He
nyam
could
the
have
money.
nyam. He too, he gone to hand, but listen me out now, you hear me say now?
Mhm.
He say, my bleed out. Someone want a 65 ball, go do an ultrasound.
65,000.
Yeah, bro.
Ultra, a man like me will get 5 picnic. Ultrasound reach at 65.
Look how you get your 5
What kind of boss this you have?
Come to your boss,
How
tell a bush me
much
come from
month's
me.
belly this?
Running money, man, come feed pay you and can't question me.
How much months belly this?
Remember.
Job one.
Yo,
How long you work for me?
up to about 1 2 months or so.
2
Or
months.
3 about stuff.
And the belly
months,
you go
okay.
before that.
You work for me. 2 months, 3 weeks and 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
And the time was 6 o'clock in the morning. They check me.
Mm-hmm.
And now, you come carry a woman in front of me and
Yeah.
tell me lie.
So like me I tell them.
But ultrasound, 65,000.
Look at my woman.
Eh? With fake belly. Eh? That boy should have known to me.
No, Ree when I come again. Make it belly come
Me no
back.
bother want him.
No move.
Which belly?
Make it belly come back.
Come on, make we go.
No move.
Listen, me not pay
Ree
you.
when I come again.
Me not
What you
pay
mean you
you.
not pay me?
Because you come to trick me.
Trick.
Me not pay you, know.
Where belly
Me
gone?
a plan day one, me not trust you, know.
Where the belly
Tell
gone?
Tonga say me not trust you,
I don't
know.
know.
Me say, are we chopping? You know? Where belly gone?
Come out of me yard.
Turkey.
Come out on boss yard.
So come with
No,
If
me.
they come out on my boss yard, come and chop you.
Hey. Check me a morning. Me not pay to them, me a punish you. Come out
Punish
of
me
me
for what? Me chopping the boss not ramp with me bossy.
a job me wanna cut that off of me. Say you chop me.
Me chop you because it's my boss not ramp with. Jaw for nothing. Jaw for nothing, bossy. Jaw for nothing. Run to.
Hello. Youngest. You see, me could have locked you up, you know.
I never made idea.
Because you come in here with him, plan up to come scam me.
And you're a what?
And I tell you about 65,000
Who idea? Left him on yard. Chop, let him on come and chop you tell the girl.
They come check me later with the
Who
money.
later with which money? See what? Lift up! Boss me. Let's see about.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, I like you. I'm too. I'm playing. Give me my shit.
What's
up?
up?
Right, put on my shit. Yeah, man. Yeah, I like you. So what you say? How much you owe you?
Just give me the daily pays, daddy. I never know, say, so I buy me come buy this piece of money again, but it's a layer that they never know.
Yeah, man. You never know. Alright, that's true. Left me job, yeah. Left me yard. Left me yard. Yeah, eat that. You want to chop. Come. Right. Yes, baby. No, you love me.
I real rubbish me I deal with.
You love me.
Love what?
I love me, man. You have all the whole super seal here.
I fling me, I go fling them where I'm bun them.
Go on, come. So I'm going to go out here. Go out here, just think back on life. You know, just buy the meat.
Where you go with sauce rice?
Huh?
Where you go with sauce rice?
Don't mind so sorry.
Where the meat kind? Where the vegetable? Where the fruits them? You phone me and tell me say you do shopping for Shorty and bring food for Shorty. Where you go with that?
So how wrong with this?
Where the rest?
You know where this come from?
My business. I sauce rice
You're not
that.
even a passport muscless. This a travel from plane.
You ever
Long
travel
grain
from plane?
rice.
You ever travel from plane?
Don't worry about that.
Ah, yeah, talk about.
Don't worry about that. This year is the best rice and the Chinese rice. This year is a good rice. You understand? So me know why you gonna go on like say you go on like you better than this.
Hey,
This is the way to your belly.
Lord God, that's why we can't do with you, you know. You're a real idiot, you know.
You
You're a
want-
real girl
You
clown,
want
you
me
know.
back, man.
Hey, 1-2 back.
You
Men
see
up
a boss,
desperate.
a two
Men up
workers, me have a clean up my land, you know. Begin to work
land
every
you
day.
have? Open your ear and stop dream. Which land you have? Eh?
When my father dead left, I need clean down.
Your father dead left and in there leave no will, so you have to go through the government. I capture land, you capture land. Hey!
And that with you know. And that's why me you can never breathe.
Mm-hmm.
Because you put things your way and you put things my way.
Oh,
You're the
God.
man.
I put it the legal way. That
Yo,
on
what?
your backside.
You tell your best friend, say, me not know you in a bed. How dare you to do that?
Hey, me just attack my truth. You know no use. You know no use.
Okay.
I lost the sperm get lost, you know. I lost the sperm get lost and
so you
find
did.
the way. Let me get Sasha.
Come here.
That's the only piece of use you have.
Till time talk. I'm not
So after you give me my daughter,
Me don't wanna never
me and you know nothing there again.
Me don't like what you do. Me don't like what you do. Take me in your life, man. The people need a father.
You name X for a reason. Let me go back for
No. You're ex-man. Right?
2.
Them right too. You
must
talk about
know.
ex-man in the movie. Me that the man. Don't call me no ex.
Daddy!
Sit there.
I'm coming here, you know. I'm coming
How old
here.
are you?
What?
Hold on. Your hair look good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But I did my father suffer.
You can't find
Him
it.
bring your month supply of food.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. Probably a dumpling and butter man I give me.
Yeah, there.
Stop tell lies.
I'm in right.
Oh, so now instead of the dumpling and butter, you're gonna get sauce rice.
Nothing wrong. I
Hey,
think that's something
this
come.
travel pan
Okay.
plane and then you go pan boat.
Hey.
And then you go pan ship.
I'm going
And then you go in a barrel. Yes. And
Yeah.
come and bust the barrel.
That did my father. That's
So you bust the barrel. A barrel you get?
Yeah.
How big the barrel be? A little barrel you get, not true. Little waistband barrel.
You know, the barrel company I want wicked too. Me just remember them now. They're wicked. JL. You not want to pronounce them name properly, but me just have to stop it so. They're wicked. They charge me 30,000. I have to pay a driver 55,000 to go out town, go collect it, then thief. They rob me and I want to look at barrel.
Oh God, a little bit. It must be little for 2 bag of rice, you know. For your daughter. Your picnic.
So wrong with the rice.
You see.
You feel glad I get rice.
Good.
Only thing you have to do is just buy meat, put with it.
No man,
Yeah.
him say him get big barrel and phone me and show off for me. So him might provide the meat
Probably
kind
if you
and the
take him back in
vegetable.
your life, you'd
Take
get
what?
more side things.
Take
said.
what? Take
Clap
what?
that team with that.
Me not pick up shit off a floor.
Where cash it? Just like a shit there.
Talk to your father, you him come
Where she
to,
call
not
now,
come to me.
Shit. And
When you call now, hello?
Me never call her, so me ask her, I say, she look like shit the pan you, that me say.
Hello. No, you're right with me, you know. Because you're not gonna be the toilet that going flush me. Yeah?
Hey,
Put on your rice.
you can't flush. You have to use plunger for that the big head and plunge it down so now when you plunge, you still
You want
can't
me
flush.
back, man. That's it.
But me,
You
man,
want
you
me
give your picnic the little worm rice. Go on, man.
back. And that with you, you know. You see, I feel like saying, you know, the boy with them 10 you know. I feel son that. I feel son. You see, you're ungrateful to me. Me will have business.
Hey,
Me will have staff. What you have? You don't have
you
nothing.
know what? You're full of joke, and that's the only thing you're full
I
of.
can build up.
You couldn't do it when we was together. You can't do it now. You're full
That-
of mouth
that
like
about
Christmas
then, but
turkey. You're
now-
full of fart, Popeye.
No.
Go fart way.
No.
Go turbo boost way. You're full of fart like a Christmas turkey. Move on, go along.
Follow
I know
on.
Christmas
I
yet.
never want him to fart by your
And that's you're good for. When you for put it on me, all you do is prop on me.
If you don't give me the whole, if I blend, milk, me tired to tell her, say, when it catch night time, do not give me no milk, but you put strength in my back, it not gonna work. That's a toilet business.
Nothing can work for put strength in that the back. You weak like our toilet paper. Move on, go along.
See, that-
All bounty stronger than that. One sheet do plenty, and you can't do that. Move on, go along. You give your picnic the 2 grain of rice, the 2 little worm rice. Go on, man.
You know what you call out there, ball for this happening?
Make them go ball. Make them go ball the River Nile.
You know, I say so today, one of my staff come there with him, woman, you know. They feel like they can trick me, but they have belly, you know. Me just take one pin and bust the belly. A balloon.
Why? So the pin are more used than you. Go on. You find some. Try. Me bust your backside once already. Me bust you again. Try.
All right,
Bye.
birdie. All right, birdie, fly.
Bye.
Fly, birdie, fly.
Bye.
Fly, birdie.
Oof. Boy. Dirty boy. 2 the grain of rice. I come give me picnic like say she a boy. Sure.
Shorty.
Oi.
What no girl, you know so from me make your first call if you reach.
No, girl, me never hear me deal in my room. Hush. What go on?
Nothing. Me text you, I get the answer to me. So I said I don't have no Wi-Fi and you're lonely and you're bored, so I'm
Yeah, coming at the online.
the
Internet class.
Not me realize.
Sorry, pre-night.
Nothing, as me say, I hear me and your friends, so I come check if you're good. Because right now, I'm boring up on my house, so I'm going to come to your son.
Yeah, girl, me they are boring too.
Oh, sure.
But me a drama figure, girl.
Spill.
I say my father come to my mother, you see. Come carry some things, come give my mother. I don't want to hear how ungrateful the lady a be.
So
Of
your father
course.
get things from foreign and can't come to your mother?
Yes.
And she a cuss?
He get barrel of things from foreign and carry come give way.
So
And the lady
hope
a
your mother
cuss
so
him, man.
ungrateful.
The lady a cuss him and talk about say my work his father and him a this and my that.
No man, your mother ungrateful. She should do better.
I said, girl,
Eh?
my father get 2 grain of rice, like not 2 single grain, but a 2 single rice, like 1 pound in a each.
That's all.
Yes.
But no,
And
your
the
father
lady a
ungrateful.
What?
Me don't cuss too. So he get married from friend and a two pound of rice in my care come
In care we have.
Oh, so a two parcel of rice alone come down in a one barrel.
I'm asked 4 and he give
Look
me 2,
here,
but at least he give me 2.
tell your mother this you say. Anytime she ready to go beat up your papa, she fi call me. Because that there is stupidness.
Beautiful.
Your papa. Well, I mean, look what what your mother do. You have two rice. Yeah, next good to you know. Because somebody can be grateful for 2 grain of rice.
At least he carry something come. If I do some picnic them pan I'll give them now. At least he carry 2 grain of rice come. So me not dead for hungry, me can cook it and them with butter.
Rice and butter?
Yes, that tastes good.
Butter no already in our rice.
No. Me want cook it and put butter in there.
You are your Japanese cuisine. Me want to touch you. You're
So me not
my
can
friend.
cook and give some.
Give who? You idiot. You're man. Shawty, any day and name day you come at me or come after me rice and Shawty, it's skin when me skin out my body and you never know say body could have
You don't hear me.
You're mad. Near moi.
Me I tell you
What me
so
look
you
like
don't
to
hear me.
you? What me look like? Eh? Me look like me stuff?
Yeah. You can see white scarlet by your mouth.
Guess what? A jar let me have. You know what you have to do now? You're going to go cook your 2 look of fine rice.
Oh, that me go do me cookie butter and carry some corn you.
No.
Cause you need it.
Shawty, behave Shawty.
I can't go in my house now. You can't call me good. Girl, go on your yard, yeah, man. Go cook me 2 grain of rice.
Dirty girl, wicked girl.
What problem?
Yes, how dirty wicked girl. You're real wicked, you
Me
know.
a wicked and Yawa.
You're real wicked.
Oh, and Yawa.
It's a lie, you're a wicked girl.
How me lie with?
What do you mean by your breed?
Me did not breed, but me lose the baby.
I go put band in your belly.
Because, you know, you are idiot.
What do you mean
Which
by idiot?
ultrasound for 65,000.
You don't know about being work.
Ultrasound is, the prices are depending on what you're doing the ultrasound for. Nobody tells us the ultrasound.
You may call me boss, I'll fire me to you.
Oh my god, and then I make no little money. So, anyways, me still want the
You still, where me
65,000.
get it from? Me not work.
See, I get a
Most
call, you
bossy.
hope I want work that.
Most
But me not really
bossy.
business, what call it, where them I call it for. Just try and make me get the 60. You listen to me?
Hello? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, me someone saying it. Yeah.
Is that what can I get?
Yeah.
So, alright. Listen to me, you know, it's like how you get to work, me still want the 65,000, right? And so when I give me this, listen to me.
With 65,000 for what?
To take care of myself, remember me, when you look me tell you say, me very expensive.
Me I call about it. Hold on, me I call about it.
Me never tell you say me expensive when you look me.
Me not responsible about that. Yes, for
Me
we
never
can lie.
responsible for that.
You can maintain it.
So continue, maintain
Maintain
it because
what?
I regular you
Me
come and
lose,
shop
look,
without
look.
money, you know.
Me lose. So
I
what?
regular you come and shop without money.
That not say.
You still owe me.
I no owe.
What you mean no owe?
Me been a spend.
You been a spend on what?
No pan the shop.
The shop run down now, so you
He
need to
run down.
restock.
He bank locked down.
Listen to me now.
Me say he bank
Me
locked.
still need the 65,000, right?
Where me I get it from?
And from today, shop lock. This shop not open up back until 2050. All if you restock it today, you not open up back. So when you give me the money, we will make you know what can go on in the
When
due
the
time
bank, so
till
the
the
bank,
shop
listen me,
open.
listen me. So the bank open back, so the shop open, in 2050, you say,
Yeah.
the bank shall up them a time there. So if you want a 60 ball, 50 ball, or 100 ball, next what? 2050.
Alright, yeah, that deal, yeah. Go link your boss and see if you can get back to work because chopping a bush never did that make no money, but you can use it right now. You need that.
You may need it for sure. Yeah, watch him.
From you see me know me pasty. Me have one master when me know my tasty. The round from them pastry. Woman I should run me one quick. Let me take a little further. A long time when I'm done. And they finger. Oh yeah though. I'm mock me girl. Oh yeah though. Oh yeah come out and a wine pan big one. Oh yeah though.
Me come out here, me see her dance, and me a dance with the favor of my dad that time. We are me for. Why would you do that?
You don't normally run down mother-daughter time.
But me come out here, me see her enjoy yourself, so me say me a enjoy myself with the two and you with me.
Alright, if I saw hush. Hush.
You know, so me can't bet you man out here think about.
Of course, then the must. Then the must think about my new man.
Which new man? Who,
That's
daddy?
for me.
My father, yes, me know my father they have come up. Me
Nah go back to that cup soup. Eh?
Don't call my father no cup soup.
Alright,
Don't not him like that.
No, me not call him no cup soup. But my man is better than all boiled franks, here.
Remember old boy Franks?
Hey,
Me not understand.
you know when you boil franks and they boil and go soggy so and floppy so and you have to fry it up to make it get little body pan it.
Yes.
Boil franks and cup soup noodle. That is your father.
Or that you call him.
You know, figure more
you
in
know
it.
say ungrateful though.
Hey girl, you want another box?
You're ungrateful.
Who?
Listen to me. You talk about new man, right?
Then I must go backwards or forward me I go.
Let me ask you something. When I meet the new man, I and the new man get married and have picnic together, I forget about me, how you go? I meet the new man and he take up you and fly out on overseas. How that go? You forget about me?
How we go forget
Or you take up the new man and he braid you and left you like how my father did.
I'm glad you know what your father did do, but leave who? You get it backward.
No, him,
And me leave that.
No, him left you.
No, you did it. You did have sense.
Him left you.
You have sense.
My father tell me say him left you.
That's how me know say you getting brain, you know, Shawty.
Yes.
Me pray for you night and day, you still pick up him brain.
My father pray for me too.
Oh God.
Yes.
And you still a thanking for the 2 grain of rice, not true?
Of course.
Big barrel in
Me
bed.
eat it with dry, me eat it with butter, me did enjoy it. Yes.
Cause so food you are gonna make man catch you with too. Eh? You not no standards, Shawty.
But remember
But
say,
me have standards, baby girl.
but remember say, yeah, me did take it with. So you can't talk about me. You me get it in Guyama Island you eat it. So me get rice, me eat it with butter.
I lick you want, eh? Me know say you not come out here for no woman and mother-daughter time, you know. You come out for perplex my brain, I crush my spirit, you know.
I chew too.
You think, say, that could I catch me with that, eh?
I think
A friend set me up with him and blind date.
no in Guyama Island you eat it.
Okay,
run
you
with it.
carry on. Go on, believe your father.
Let me
Yam the sauce of rice and believe your dead left pooper. Eh? Cause that's all him live for is dead left.
if you know dead left anything you have him work hard and do
Okay,
it.
him
I get
work
it.
hard.
Yes.
Him work hard. Him not what him do? What job him do?
He sit down and he watch people work for him and he pay them and he making good money. Yes, that he do.
Shawty not talk so in public here. Cause people in the district know him and then you talk so it's bad enough say for him thing help make you. Nobody talk them foolishness
At
like
least he
people
have
here,
a
you know?
business and a mind of his own. Unlike you always sing on the paper, man, for feed you. Leave me father alone.
Little girl.
Leave me father alone.
Little girl. May chop it off, you know?
And my father do it, I can't chop off.
Make it worse, I'm gonna chop off it.
Make
Make it worse, me chop off it.
Man, me come
Right
in
now,
and make it come beat
phone him
you.
now. Phone him now, rank with me again. Ring with me again. Ring me, God. No, me not hear you. Ring with me again.
No, call me daddy making beat.
Go on now, you have the phone in your hand. Go on now.
No credit.
Ring with me again.
No credit.
Little girl, go inside before me bust your backside out here.
No, call me daddy.
Why you never phone him out here? Go on inside before me bust, hey.
Boss up now.
Bust what? Little girl, I get break. Tell me, you know. Watch me and you. Hey, girl, come here. Eh? Phone him now. Eh? Phone him now and tell him what me do you. Eh? You know, perplex my brain today, you know, little girl.
What? Look at it.
I did.
Yeah, my father.
I'm tired, bro. I don't say I'm zone.
Boy, I'm stressed out, boy. You give me a bun from when I'm drinking or don't feel that I'm giving them a bun.
You get some more money from there.
Get some money from. She didn't even know, man. I walk on a beg nowadays. The smartest man, if you tap on a beg, bigger bill, bigger 2 bills, bigger me can beg.
Big, yeah.
And that now tell you now, the woman is so-called of the ex. You know, so one time she a bring me at time. You know, but you say, you know, want no pay. You want dash your belly. But to me, I recommend me look at the money and tell me give him. You pay some money for dash your belly. But yes, see they know. Me I walk about my business. Me I come from bush matter of fact. Last time everything in my hand. Me I go link boss me up to pay cheaper now. And she me see right a boss get like he knows he have paid there something with big belly in front of him. To ask him say, yo, with big belly.
Big belly and you give money for that shit.
That me actually explain to you now again. She tell me say she got after with the money. Doctor tell her say he belly to will later now he can't like that shit when I say just near me money. So I say, alright then. What say you go,
And you take that so after you work so hard for your money.
No,
you just take it say you near me money.
Yeah, but
you know,
he done gone. He done gone. 60. Don't hurt the boss. No matter with that.
You know hard. Somebody have to work for 6 and you take that so lightly.
No, but
60,000. Not even in 1 month, me not work.
Me not that 1 month, neither. Save me
not even in 1 month.
Buy me a car to drive road, but I have to go down in night. See me now, no. So what you know, I say, alright. I don't watch no face, because I see belly big and everything. So I say, alright, if I so big, that's so big face. So I bring her over bossy see her and everything, tell bossy what I go on and so much style. But in a while, I wonder, how bossy knows say, you know, breed. I want ball when the girl have in her belly. And bossy go some bossy with a pin.
But you know, idiot.
I don't really.
You don't know when belly fake or real.
No, it look real. If you see yourself, it
yeah, boy, if you're here with my friend right now, my back sit down and ground.
You know, take it right now. Boy, I'm stressed out. Right now, boy, man. Tell you, boy. But that's one thing me a biggest deal. But right now, boss is coming.
You're not stressed out.
What you mean?
You're not stressed out, bro.
What do you mean, me not stressed out?
Yo, that upper yard right now, I make sure you get back your money.
No, me not
you're not stressed out.
So only me that meds, you know, if me foolish, I'll give me 65.
So you're stressed out, you don't know what is stress. Burning weed and drinking rum is not stress.
So what?
That's a habit.
No, if you free my mind.
Habit.
No, free my mind.
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind from what?
From Wagwan.
Wagwan. Wagwan, you take go get back your money.
That one. Right now, the money
simple as you see me. You couldn't left out a year to go get back my money. I hear that man, him can look for me and tell me saying you have my 60,000. What?
Months that blow up, but
blow off, that blow off.
Well, listen, man.
Blow off, all if you buy food and shit out, you better go take up your back and get back my money. I'm mad.
Lego that no man, but I just
want feel that way and even me.
Me know me feel that way more than me and me happen to. But listen me out. I boss more and feed the link to me because come like boss me when I read me again even trust me before I go on with it with cheap. Me right now boss I'll fire me that big man.
Listen me. You always say loyal to bossy. And see people who are saying loyal, they're not really loyal, you know.
So me loyal.
You have to prove me loyalty, daddy.
Me prove him money.
Me never talk to bossy about them sitting there. Bossy just see me and rate me energy, you see me? I know all bossy give me in card. I got a machine drawing much money. You got you? when wife send.
Boss again card.
I mean 100,000 me drive for boss out there. Big hole of money so. I mean not touch not even $1 out of it, bro. Not even $1. Me give man. Boss look for me and give me 5,000. I feel that way now. But me hold it, bro. Me can't draw 100,000 for you for me and give me $5,000.
Right, I'm rush broke right now. So I give boss a power talk to me. Let's give him a
Power
power talk
talk to him for you, man.
Because I need the work, I really need the work. I want to tap on big. I don't want it big.
Let's
Right
say
now.
not deal with that girl like that.
You're mad. I see him this morning, I see him. I tell him about how if you go talk to boss to get back work. So, because he look chop with money now work out. I say, grab it, take one in your ways, you know.
Stay there, yeah? Stay there. But don't take heed. A sign that.
You don't have to tell me that.
Big old a sign, just take heed, daddy.
Right now, I see what going from down the rest of the skill, you know. But big up yourself.
Don't talk to boss if you, man, because we can't be a walk up on them, bro.
So, now I'm going to now work on someone's hotel. Say, oh,
Alright.
you can't stop me, little thing, man.
No. Yeah, I mean, have you read? He said, I told me to turn out. Boss, give me a little thing and sit down and the shop people, them here with dumping. They feel pay me a money that
Now I'm out for me, I dig out. That's a part.
Alright. They're still here.
Yeah, man.
I tell us that. You want real? Oh, me if you could take up 60,000 gig, girl. You must have more. How do you work it?
Oh God, you done the work?
Yeah.
You done the work?
Yeah.
Oh.
Listen, the hands in the out. You really nice to have a boss. You see?
Okay.
Come on, the jawbone.
Huh?
Mr. Jawbone come and work. And me alone up there.
Oh man, me fire that man.
If
Yeah man, fire that.
bossy, I do respect you know. You know, say I fear a thing and you hire who fi hire me. I don't know if I can give one next chance.
Listen.
Before you say that, bossy, a good youth, you know.
But tell her
See my rum bar, drink and a smoke, me stress out.
But tell her from there, I don't trust that boy. That you know that boy can't want girl come here try to scam me. But girl pregnant and what
I'm saying no, boss.
how you fit there with a woman that don't know say a balloon woman I mean
He tell me say he never know in the gear how much money other day if that she got.
He tell you that?
Him say she never dash you, she need me money.
So
He barely did too big for dash you. I give man the chance, man. You see, everybody not perfect, you know. Everybody doing perfect.
alright. So because of you?
Just give man next shot. You see if that shot I go miss, you just cut it in.
But give him a chance. So here what you're telling now. You go back to him, tell him bring her here come scrape up the yard and back on his job.
Even though I know he might be not loyal and he can know and something, but just give him a chance.
Alright, I'll give him a
Give him
chance.
a cut. Cause even today, I see
Tell him call him before
him
I go.
say sing things, boy. And me I say, you can't do that.
Where must I go?
He must say, oh yeah, collect money at a bank and sitting and a pay.
And you want me iron?
No, listen me, just I tell you how he stay.
Oh.
And me have to
Alright,
tell you, say,
now watch him, now watch him.
Bossy now go collect 100 and pay with 10 grand.
Me I go watch him
Bossy not
today.
stay, so.
Tell him to come with a rake. Come clear up the yard. Come me I look for me woman.
You just come, you watch him.
Right, me I check out for my woman.
You go, see if me can chop down and what.
No man, check him, tell him bring the rake come. Then after that me go left it 200 here and then me go link my woman over yard. Come on check for me.
Woman over here.
Yeah man, she love me you know, man. She when me I wire that in a man. Yesterday me go over there me wire it. Yes. So you have to
Woman you have to wire it before somebody else stringing for you, you know.
Ah,
Running wire them through it.
me no want
Cause
nobody
somebody
string
else-
my son, you know. My son, I feel DJ
Yeah,
me
man.
alone for string it.
Yeah man. But we link, now link him still
Yeah.
And
Tell me-
never money drop.
No money in the job
You
yet.
say well, you give me one bonus boss man.
Tomorrow I get bonus. Tomorrow.
Eh?
Tomorrow you get bonus.
So you know nothing for him?
No. Tomorrow you get bonus.
Tomorrow in the evening.
Yeah, in the evening. You're smart with you. But I go a bank first.
How much you give me?
Me don't know. I can't know. Because I know tell you say 1 and then tomorrow.
And 3,000.
Same thing. I can't go tell you say 3, then tomorrow I give you 2 or 1.
3. See you want to give me $1,000 bonus?
I never said that. You know. Listen. I don't want to tell you say 3,000.
Alright,
I want to take it out at 1,000.
Alright. Just give you a thing idea. Our bonus be bonus. That means the money go bonus up. You understand?
Alright.
Yeah.
No problem. Boy, oh boy.
Wow. The boss hard for working one.
Yeah. Inside boss is going to clean up.
Mm-hmm.
And see it outside the fence.
So you say?
You go on now. I'll go over boss over there.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? You go over there. You want to talk to boss if you. One night time I say now the man is run my friends so can you want to come play tricks for me. And I have to tell him no. Boss say a good youth. You never know about what going.
You never know what going on.
Just explain everything, bro.
Mm-hmm.
And I tell him, say, just use me. If you come in and mess up, fire me instead. Yeah, bro.
Real life?
Real life, I'm tell him. Real thing I job on. And I feel like I'm not laughing and joking, bro.
No, a serious thing,
So,
but
if you come back for work, you come back for work, bro. And they're on the joke thing.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
So you
Don't know the weed thing, that's your weed, that's your cigarette, that's your rum, everything. I work we
can't get a break, man. You can't get a
fence line long.
see it, man.
I mean out that's how clean up. Go on over there go to boss. If you go late see they probably not get them pay for today. But you can go on over there, go rake up.
So me I work for free.
You know say I want to eat that though.
Man say me I hear that and money me I
No get that one, get back to work.
Yeah, me get back to work, but
So go over there go rake
So
up, you don't know if you might get money.
how you talk, you well go big man.
You don't know if me say time late now, you probably not get a day's pay.
Oh.
You go over there, go just
I tell
look
you,
at
me I walk on a big gate or
chores.
Me I walk
You get
big
up
gate.
and down, you see,
Alright.
man. This one you know making a life and everything you know about money. You want back to work, you just go rake up the place, bosses say everything good. Me tell you, still about your money, see, man.
Daddy,
Where you go, man?
what's wrong with you?
So you walk all the way from Chuku. You call for me?
What's wrong with that?
You don't have phone.
No,
You don't know about WhatsApp,
no credit on the penny.
FaceTime.
You don't put no credit penny, so no credit on the penny.
Use them at the hotspot.
Me in a hand.
Your mother ever have service and never see a woman without service.
My mother.
Learn from your mother.
Anyways, I share my cover if you can't tell about. Me, I share that nice thing about it. You know?
Really?
Yes.
Jesus.
And I say want you back in your life.
Who
And
believe you?
Hmm?
Who believe you?
Now you ain't God.
Me and God. So nobody else don't believe you.
From God believe me, I truth me I tell. So from God believe me, you feel believe me too.
So what fake life this morning?
Me don't know. But me ever tell people say miss you. And if you do like you know want you because I way how you going. So me I tell you, you can go back and go film.
Hold on, I'm trying to wait. Hold on, I'm trying to stop. Yes.
Respect my general.
Yeah, man. So the next general tell them
Yeah,
how
man,
man.
give me show me 400 wagwan.
Yeah, man. If you don't have anything up again, you lose it just like that.
No, man, you show me a pretty bossy, man. So, what you say?
You can go and clean the roll around. That's what you see.
Roll around or so.
Yeah, man. I think me have the old lady. You know, she did come here one time, come spend 2 days in the house, and I'm thinking let's up in a pale pot. So I empty chicken feet.
What you say? In the what?
A pale pot. She,
Pale pot.
yeah man, she did use the pale pot, so I think you are empty and all.
Bossy. Me's a... I'm gonna call you now. Call some yard boy, bossy.
Yeah.
Me no maid, bossy.
And I'm
So,
made.
listen, I'm in a housekeeper neither, bossy. See, in house chores, me no responsible part the bossy. So listen out now. Yeah, so simple must be clean up, man. Chop it down and clean up, make the place up active again. And they worry about bossy. If you not give me big money, and buy a company work, you know.
TNT me say to the youth, you know.
We ain't buy
TNT to the
you.
youth.
But look how much work is a bossy. You tell me say over here to not work on in the bossy. And next place, you know, so better just... Better make clip when next general chop down, make some hurry up here and
Alright.
bossy, man.
Alright.
Yes, sir? I come looking on people say okay, it's okay now.
Deal with the way
Deep
chop
ball.
down, and tomorrow me go to bank, we start you out.
Tomorrow when I go to bank, what time is the bossy?
In the afternoon.
So-
Don't worry about that.
So I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna go to clean up.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna wait until tomorrow in the
Yeah.
afternoon before I can get a piece of bread in my pocket, bossy.
Yeah.
I go work with him, can't show me what about the work, bossy. I go work with the bossy.
Alright.
No
yeah.
respect, bossy. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
But you see, if you pan business there, you have to find
And
somebody.
I eyes with that a while ago. And I that.
Get a hold of yourself, man.
Oh!
Get a hold of
you're
yourself,
lucky.
man.
Come. Yeah, good on your mother.
Yes.
Yeah, wait a what did you do?
Me there tell us say if you make sure you can money over they go gear.
You never have money. I told you I'm staff, you know, man. You have money, man. Not ready, mother. Yeah, you must take out. Make sure.
How are this man?
Yeah, afternoon.
Afternoon.
I was
I'm my daughter, no better eyes, my daughter. Don't bother him, eyes, my daughter.
But I didn't better than the first
boss,
one,
you hear
man.
that for this?
You're 16 now. You clap your till you're 18, you know. Oh. Ah. I'm my daughter.
So you fair skin to line and she black.
Hey,
You
boy,
don't
this
have
here,
to do the
this me.
color.
And this here, this
You
me.
don't know if I bleach me, I bleach, although I don't bleach, but...
Boss, and if you're picking that.
I'm
But
not-
I know that man, I see.
What is
Me
it?
see the US them.
The money?
Yeah, in your pocket.
No,
Me
that's
glad
not
you
everyone.
bust through
That's
the
not
gate.
everyone.
Eh?
That's not everyone. I
No,
don't,
me see, me know I real.
no, listen.
Let me see.
Just I tell her, I say, the money them fake. Ask her.
Yes. Federalist, no.
Don't pick up
here.
say your.
Me say Federalist, you're not here.
Yeah.
Put your ears them next
Yeah.
time.
Check me tomorrow. Check me tomorrow.
Go on a choppy bush them.
You sure hear that,
Go choppy
boss?
bush
I'm
them.
my daughter, man.
Daddy, come on, not a
Nice
taxi.
move with that. Nice. Yeah, give me 50 with you now. Nice.
You know, that look like a jacket and suit.
Baby, baby. I love you.
Okay.
I heard
You know
about
not better feel.
you. Give
See
me.
your daughter there, go talk to your picnic man. Where you come
No,
on your
me
for?
buy our champagne. We're celebrating today. Oh,
Yeah.
Well, go long go celebrate, man. Shoo. Go long go celebrate.
No, hold on. Mommy, what are you reading?
What?
You read too much. Come here. Sometimes, me have
Oh,
listen to me. Listen to me good. Me walk too much miles, you know. Me walk too much miles just because tell a man say I came in and you
how you do?
listen to me now, man. You talk good things about him. Listen. The man have money.
So,
Try to take some money off of him for me and you.
hey, you think some me one of them girl?
Listen,
Eh?
man.
Eh?
No, me can't hear one answer. No whisper.
No,
Because we are talking about you not to you.
Huh?
What's outcome, daddy? Hold on.
Oh, you're
So
talking
you
about nice
bringing
thing
your
over.
Yes.
Okay,
No.
daughter.
That, mama.
Work it up, my daughter. You mean? Put in the application.
But he may your father, he will give you money.
Stop loud up a thing, mama. Why couldn't
Me feel to shut your back, sit down. How you love cramp people's spirits so? Me they in a good mood. Eh? Me not
Good mood? We hear that one clearly. Yes, you're in a good mood once I'm here. See?
move and go along from out of my presence.
No, me want in your past. Me was in your past.
In
Me
the
want
past and today.
Me want in your present and
No,
the future.
no.
Yeah, I was in the past. Now I want to be in the present and the future.
Which part?
Huh?
Who?
For you.
For your daughter.
No, for you.
And then your daughter, past, present, future.
Daughter, so when 18 now, when my daughter catch 18 in Ghana man yard, me not see him again.
No, I'm not going to I got college.
Well, do that. That's between you. You can't meet her out the street, man.
Like you.
Alright, your yard.
Dollars, social club. That is what I like, you know.
Hey, lift up your yard, them.
Yeah.
Nothing below my chin, your yard for look pan here. Lift up your yard, them. And nobody look for me, them turn your roll and leave. If you want to leave with him, man. You make me skin crawl.
Your mother want me. And your mother talk good things about me.
Want who?
I make me come and say me come be your mom. I'll go for the moon.
Me look like forehead to you.
Where my forehead? Where my forehead?
Me will lick in a girl.
Where my forehead?
Give that to your picnic. Me don't know no chicken head.
You.
That now frighten me and KFC now frighten me. Nobody put it back in your pocket. How much years you owe your picnic? She has 16, soon 17.
A chicken, come down.
Me not chick you. Tell him now. Tell him see I
Maybe
like
say
him.
plain and straight.
Yes.
Me don't want disrespect nobody. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a want your mood.
Yes.
Papa, looking at my face good.
I said, I
Make
love
two, I
you.
make four. Shut your mouth when you see big people like that.
You love me.
Yes.
Thanks.
Yes, Dad.
You
Yes.
love me.
Me no love you.
See?
Me never love
Yes,
you.
what you do?
And me will never love you.
It's like an embarrassment.
Me thank you from the depths and core
Oh,
for your sperm.
no. Me glad to talk about sperm. One of my staff come in my yard and while me and she come out. And go look at me and ask me for my daughter. When me tell him say my daughter. And he ask me who she and me say my daughter. He will ask me to show say my daughter kind of favor me. She dark and me brown. Make me understand what I want right yesterday.
So yeah, full people that work for you same way.
Because since I've been I know you stay in a bed. Just show it my child.
Yeah, hey.
I
Me
am
lift up in the air, you know.
Just
No,
show it.
me take shotty and beat you, you know.
Just show
Come
it
on,
my
take
child.
shotty and beat you, you know.
Why are this
Now
one?
rise me
far?
up. Come on, take shotty,
Listen.
beat you.
Why
One of my workers make sure ask to say she a jacket in it. Because she don't look like me. She don't have nothing to me. And in kind of right. Because me, no, me daughter for really have melon head.
What's
I have melon
that
head.
thing doing, Lord?
Who you call melon head? I'm like you.
Or
Tell me head
octopus.
good.
But anyway, I'm talking. You know, come on, man. Let's get back together, man. There's no other man like me.
True.
That is the first truth you talk all day.
You laugh.
Well done. Don't touch my antenna. Allow me antenna then.
You-
Allow me lock.
You remember the first time we meet? And they just have me hand from your forehead go down and they reach to the private part and because
That is
You was
what
like-
you do the other girl them.
no, you're alone.
Me and you.
You're alone.
Go along, man. Come out. Stop living in memories.
No.
Stop living in your memories.
No, man, I know them style, you know.
That's true, that
you
is
remember
true.
Go inside. Take your back side, go inside. I'm not going to realize you're there, so.
What that true?
I'm not gonna deal with you later.
Go inside.
Little liar self. Look how you can cause me, man.
Good.
I mean, did in
You
a
remember
good
the
mood.
time when we get the ice water and we take the ice there and we and stay 20 minutes till it cramp nearly jump off and we just dip it down in your panty. You say, woohoo, baby! And you come. Eh?
Papai.
You come.
Papai.
So that's why you feel
And then your hand you put in the ice water.
I mean,
And your John Dooley. And it shrivel up so. And my name come. You did go. Go on.
no, I'm a hand.
Go on.
And Sister Palmer did take over the
Yeah, me know
Jandul.
say next woman you think about, you know. Me know say next woman you think about and I come disrespect
See me and
me.
Sister Palmer.
Me no business.
Sister
Me no
Palmer.
business. We go on with Sister Palmer and her 5 sisters them.
No, you me like.
Me
I
no
don't
like
know
you.
why.
Go on,
Sister Palmer
man.
is just for a moment.
You're
of
coming
time.
like manure, a bad scent that leave a bad
To me,
taste.
baby, you're like my rainbow. Me just see you over the water and me just sit and take a picture.
But go long and go sit and take a picture.
To me, you're like my car. We just put gas in you and we just rev you all day around. and blow you down. Poop, poop, poop. Yeah. To me, you're like a chuck. You make noise right through the night. Honk, 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 honk. Choo, choo. Yeah, you know. You remember them time there? To me, you're like Alaska. When I mix you, nothing beats you.
No, Mary Alaska to you.
Sweet
You
like
see
a
where,
honey.
you see when you digest me, I gotta run your belly one. Hey, what sweet nanny goat, I gotta run your belly.
You go want me, you know.
Galang.
You go want me.
Bye bye.
You see, you can't get no other
Cup
man
soup,
like me.
one man. Me don't want no cup
Yes!
soup.
Everybody wants to drink me.
No,
Cup
because
soup.
you know how you turn and why me don't want you?
Yeah.
Because you turn like the noodle them in the cup soup. When you lift them up on the fork, so you just wiggle down and wither down. So go on, man, me don't want
Let me
no
ask
cup
you a
soup in
question.
my life.
Now left you with a good advice. When you want to catch fish a river, right, the lake fish them, you go into the ground, the dirt, and dig up the worms. And you drop it in the water and the worm then wiggle up and catch fish. Yes, and that me do. Me wiggle up and me catch you. I catch
Worm
you. Wiggle,
man.
wiggle.
Go on, worm man.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Go on, worm
And
man.
wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, I
Go on,
catch you.
worm man.
Me know you like me, man. Wiggle, wiggle.
Go on, worm man.
Call me the worm man. That's
Dirty
fine.
water, you want me to dash it on you? Me dash it on you, now. Go on.
You
You
like
give your
me,
picnic no money?
Huh?
You flash money like some money can catch you.
Yes.
You give your picnic no money?
Awesome.
Give her some more money
I
and
give
go
her-
and about your business.
I give her 60 grand just now.
66.
I have money.
Go long, go look.
Look, you know.
Go long over the...
Catch-
Hey, catch you this, sir. Go long. Shorty, me and you are going to talk.
Yeah, man, Ginal. We book again. Coming on my yard and I
Come here,
come trick
let me
me.
explain something to you.
Eh?
Let me explain
You
something
think-
to you. Can you get it all wrong? Me? You don't know Ginal better. Let me explain something to you. See the man in really and truly like disrespect woman. You see it?
Oh.
Classy woman them call them gas pan and this and that. So me just do something to him.
Oh, I see.
All the while when many things say inside, inside, leg him a rub,
Jesus!
leg him a rub. So me
Hey,
just
that's
tell
why
him
when
say
me
me
dey on my
breathe.
woman, you know, me I lash my woman, my woman love it, you know.
Oh,
My woman to the firm, like them lighthouse.
good for you and your woman, but
That's why I take up man like a me, man with money.
you have sense.
Of course.
Say me lock shop from you, you're gonna say shop lock and I shop there. Even when me keep like a baby help on it.
Me never know. Cause remember, you know, I use it. I'm the old school.
So you don't have no money for you.
Yeah,
What when I give dirty boy you walk back in, come in and want to get back you walking. Man look at them no fi work for you.
Well,
Man look at them for dead, for hungry, starve.
well, me kind of give the work and me give a higher pay, you know.
You say idiot, you know idiot too?
No,
You're a
man.
big idiot too.
I other virgin big things, some of that
Which
stick
other
in my-
virgin? Say other virgin have money?
Yeah, man, they want make money.
You know the other virgin thing.
They want make money, man, and me have money too. So, you know, so from the boss have money.
Yeah,
they
but you
have
have your
money.
woman, man. You say you work skin for your woman. You have
No,
your
me
woman.
single, you know. My woman don't want me back because
You're kind of too old for me.
we call how? How old you think me be?
44,
You must be mad.
55.
No,
You
man, I'm still young.
Well,
I'm
yeah.
30.
Oh, you're old. Me young.
No, me
You're,
ju-
you're just 17. Me can't do this. You're too old.
No, me at 30. 17
Anyway,
and 30
me like
not
how you
too
give back
old.
the little workless boy the work. Because more about this, more than 60,000 I find.
Santa say you forget half time. You can't give more, man. Check me from yard. Can't give 80,000.
Me can't get it funny without checking my female. Me just go and tell him say belly hurt me. Money.
Alright. Check me from the ground then. You don't have to check me from yard.
You can't check him on the red side and get him. You not figure no ground. You can't trick me.
Oh, check me in the lane tonight.
You go on. Walk with grace.
I agree.
Walk with grace.
You think a party
Check
balloon
in on
this?
you.
You walk with this?
You think you're an idiot? You must know nobody for scam. From me hear the key swing a ling ling, me know you have phone.
What go on now, baby?
There, yeah, I have a problem.
Iba from my vote, shopping the gong here. Shopping, something like that. I'm going to sell about juice.
Alright, my baby. Yes, me like it. I'm here, so you get back to work. So go and work and carry money come.
When I make money, you call me baby.
No, you're the original baby man, but 2 years pull a stunt for me over your boss.
No, you pull a stunt for me.
No man, you pull a stunt for me.
You almost fool me with that like big belly. I say yes, boy, I just want to now check it out. A balloon.
So you really want on fire? You have to work with the harder.
Me have to work harder.
So if I see me with you, honestly, you can't give me 60,000.
So you mean by that?
I son 200 brick, I want to see and 300 brick off a meal, I want to go. But me I do it 60,000. You think a boy should take care of picnic? That's a man job.
So, well on there, when me out take up 200 or 300 or half a milk, you. That will be able to get that.
Clothes, pampers, rug, feed, lasco, buckle, and food in my belly to breastfeed him or she.
Alright, I know so when I go to school, I didn't so good performance in the butt.
Let me explain you out for you.
Well,
a box of pampers is about 30,000-40,000. A box of wipes is about 20,000. A box of formula is about 50,000. Clothes not cheap. When in land of Jamaica, I have to pay a shipping fee. Me need things to eat so my body can stay healthy to take care of the baby.
You see 30, 20, 50. Like 100.
Yes. And what about me?
No. Clothes.
That about one next 50. When it comes on next 10, that's 60. Shoes
So
we baby we are.
160 that. No, clothes and shoes are the same difference. So that 160 that in all.
Yeah.
So
formula. And the pampers.
No, that may I tell you.
Oh.
The other part 160.
Oh, I don't remember.
No. I tell you something that go to school, go do much like that, but I think I can help myself.
At the end of the day, and then if you waste man, I want check up money when they give me money, you waste man.
No, me must have pick to get the money, you know. And you forget the money, I pick.
So now if you trip young plug, you have to do every little cent and dollars and yeah, what? Mama?
No, mama and style, but
I move like a boy,
if you bird, if you live on my yard, right?
No, that not gonna work. You can't tie me down, I'm too young.
So me if you take up my money.
I come on the streets.
So me take up my money and get you.
Yes, we take care of picnic. I'm left in my yard.
Come like a feel my idiot.
I give you a
fool. My yard right through like night joke with my youth. I look over him right through like night joke. You hear that? So yeah, something else to show.
And I'm here to talk to you know.
So I'm here to talk to.
Me back. Cause I got me gone. When you have more money, you'll link me.
Yeah, when I have more money, I'll link you. If I say good food, I'll clear them back on you know. You think good food, rest my beer.
Lately, I meet my like you know, strong young man like that. Yeah, man, adapt my love, adapt my love.
You
know him?
What happened now? No work every day. What happened? So what did I have to do today? I mean,
You know what now? You see, I'm blind, hear, I'm deaf.
Tell me now. Me can't walk. I follow me and follow her.
Follow. No, my ears all here. Me hear
What
something.
your ears say?
Me hear something.
You hear what?
I hear a show muscle bob.
No, she say me strong, so me sure say me have something there.
Where you go? See, I'm blind. I'm deaf first.
There a problem?
He
Problem?
come talk about me have to give him something about if you see I'm blind and hear and there.
What kind of?
He work for your husband.
Everywhere me go, he might haunt me.
Relax. Here, because you don't see where I do nothing. Really. So, me buy a Joe, one Joe step. When the time right.
No, my time right now. No, the time is right.
Alright, I can't deal with the
You
problem.
know, say enough is hard for me. Because I make you get back your work.
No, I'm grateful for that. Grateful for that.
Me make you get back your work. So you shouldn't want to come
You know, me
try
free now.
blackmail me right now.
Remember idea about me a link to 50 piece of work and you tell me about how loyalty and loyalty this and loyalty that. And you tell me about you loyal and loyal.
Listen, man.
Let's give me something.
Alright,
Man.
hold on.
120 ball will do me good.
And that will make you blind and deaf and dumb.
And dumb.
Yeah, behave too greedy now.
Greedy.
20,000. Yeah, behave too greedy now, Jabon.
Bro.
Yeah, behave too greedy now. Too greedy. Way too
You
greedy.
know the problem.
Well, listen. Too greedy now, man. Buy one juice. This month. Just not tell nobody say see we or here we are saying nothing on this street.
Well,
Just put that in your pocket. Put that.
me dumb. Me deaf.
Alright, yo. Next time when you see you, make you something heavier than this. Good?
No, give me something heavier now, man.
Next time.
You for the better, man.
Alright,
Yeah, ask you, bro.
you're
Just
good, man.
next time.
Escape this time,
Next
man.
time.
Escape this shit.
Next time.
Next time.
I don't really know. I just talk. Me not talk.
Just start up.
No, not that way there. Just cool, man.
No, I'm saying nothing for I'm saying good, bro. I'm good.
Alright, I'm serious then, yeah?
Yeah, man, I go down for you search up.
Yeah. Remember me
Boss
saying
lady, I'm here for that man. I'm so good like a gold boss. I'm here,
Alright.
man.
So yeah, I got work today.
Yeah, man, I go find work today, man. Put in some extra hours.
Alright. Me soon forward still.
I'm here, man. Don't worry yourself, big man. I'm here, man. I got you, big man.
Yeah, bro. I say me not too trust that boy. The boy I'm more slippery, you know.
Me not like
Me
him,
not
me
pay
not
my
have
mind,
that problem. My ex is a pain in the ass. When me say pain, me mean pain.
I really watch him. No, me got the already bills.
Kind of. Alright, B.
No. I go out there and bossy woman. Yeah, man, I plan B for them, man. You can't go on. Don't worry about men go herb, you know. So good, man. I don't mind kissing my pass again, you know, man, so I can. This time I don't know this time. No matter this time, man. I'm going to use a video.
You ever did what you and me, girl? Oh, God, can be more food on the road.
Come on, money, you know, but differently, I something tell you.
Oh, God.
The same boy.
You get a bigger job?
Work, bigger job at that. Me and Meds are now.
Oh.
But me see bossy wife with my co-worker. So I see when I collect bossy money. Bossy
And what for I'm baby mother?
I see him difference.
No, me I said they left.
They left.
But me are in the street.
No, I see him different, but they still have something going on.
Oh.
Remember, you know, baby mother, baby father, they can't left.
True that.
So
So them life story never drop.
never drop.
Never
But
drop
me,
it
I
true.
wonder if I could tell bossy, so me can be bossy favorite. Because I collect much money for bossy, you know. And put your money in one pocket to your bossy when I complain about it, you know. I wonder if you go into
Me I think if you do that, you know, you are going with Informer. Which man you see in farm nowadays and living?
That's true
It
still.
make no sense we do that, brother. That no worth the time.
That's true still, but I wonder if you can work out because more and chat no piece of food, you know.
Well, the only thing I can tell you is blackmail your co-worker, but if you tell the boss that now make no sense. Yeah, look corrupt and bad mind. Yeah. So I'm going still, you know, no money can give me because I want to go buy one food in town.
Peace out. Yourself, man. Food can buy anytime, man. Just come to the fire.
No, I can't trick you. Let me tell you, see 60,000 we want last week. Gone. And what you give me?
You give half of it. So
Half a shop no work.
you win that. We must count one win
No, window closed, door closed, window lock, roof lock, everything locked. Is that you're giving me the money to go and buy the food down the town, or you go to the person, they go to Anmigel and me circle another man. Cause what one man can't give, another man will.
Just soon get where I look for money.
So give me your money now.
I'll be right now to give it.
So you have if you got your hand miggle.
With a hand miggle.
You do your work list.
Work list, me give a box food money. Me get to take
And you see a box food money that's less than $1,000 and you don't have it.
But listen, where did the water gonna get last week?
You use it buy some bleaching cream and something hair product.
Bleaching cream.
Yeah, if you want a nigga them me I talk to, you say no bleaching, some buy some.
Take care of my boy, that's it.
Now give me money and now give me money.
Just my money.
Just broke pocket.
Make glad me a broke
But anyways, is it true you know don't pay me yet? No inform because if you inform, you may be unalive. I'm still like you.
Like money like.
Yes, yeah.
I want to go country. Because my daughter,
What do I?
things are get too hot here, man. I can't take the moderation. Your worker, co-worker, my daughter gets suspicious. I mean, I can't take the moderation.
Tell her, babe, just forget about them, no man. I'm going to work. You can't make sick of people and happy. You follow people, you people you live for.
You know how Papa is.
This is me and you.
And I'm your boss.
Me not fear me. Anything in the pan, me depend.
That's why I have to love you, you know. That's why I have to love you. But me don't want you getting a botheration and me can't take the botheration. So me I go country for a few days and go spend some time with family.
Alright then, babe. Anything I say, I just, as long as you will be happy, me good.
Yeah man. Yeah man. By the time I come back, you're not going to be long, you know. Just for a few weeks. Make things die down. And then you can come up and check me too. I will be more private.
That's true. So, yes, I'll leave her now.
Yeah, because like how Sasha did it, me want to leave and send her a message. Me don't want the whole heap of question and botheration.
Alright, follow you go back.
Thank you. All right. Yeah, babe. See, she's not there. So we run in and get her bag quick and right to her.
Alright,
The
that's
soon
right
comes.
there, sir.
All right, the soon comes.
Oh, God. Oh, sometimes I'm so like that. I can't carry it. So far, like it is done fuck already, man.
Yeah, man. We did come check you. They tell you, say, I'm not leave and not tell you.
Oh, lucky door good.
Yeah, man. I'm leaving.
Mama,
You take some.
where your girl bag? What you
Sasha.
doing over here?
What you not even say good evening to the man and also me grow you.
Alright, good evening. I'm sorry. Where am I doing over here?
What I mean by you know me?
No, you work for my father. You remember me? Did come up there? My father. Yes.
No.
No.
Me I go country. Me I go up to your auntie for a few days. Me leave you and food in at the fridge and everything. Me leave you a note with everything.
This year? Okay,
I'm a
nice to
taxi
meet you.
driver. You might take me to bus park. How
Taxi driver.
Mm-hmm.
A chopping chop bush for daddy, but you're taxi driver.
Who are your father?
Popeye. Him a wear chop bush for.
Oh.
The man there.
I'm my twin brother work for him.
But
Me a twin.
Is he a twin? Oh.
You never
Twin
know.
brother work
No,
for
me
him.
never know. Cause they look alike. They look alike.
No,
Identical
Next
twin.
time I go over there, look.
Oh.
Look and see my brother. Yes, sir, him brown.
Oh, so your twin brother, you tell me father, so me a jacket.
That damn boy, I saying straight. I saying straight. I'm
Alright.
a twin man.
Yes.
I'm
Nice
a mother taxi driver. I work a bus bar.
So me can call for be my taxi driver too.
Yeah, man. Anytime you're ready, man. You
You
just
can't be our taxi driver here.
Why?
You're too young and you go to school. You for walk, you for exercise.
You feel walk, you feel
Come.
exercise,
No,
you
man, if
get
you
old.
want
Food,
taxi
no,
driver.
she don't need no taxi.
Yes.
Food in the fridge and everything. I'm going to leave instructions on the bed. You know my number and everything. Nobody burn my house down or not. No parties, no nothing.
Yeah,
No
man,
boys,
bring
no nothing
nobody
here.
over here.
You got
Alright, behave yourself. Come here, my watchers.
Now start to be careful.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Love you, bye. And you not take no taxi. Taxi go away.
Me I take taxi, me I call him. Now where yourself? I'm going to call him.
I'm going to miss you, no be.
I didn't even know I'm going to miss it.
You have to phone me every day, yeah?
Every second round the clock.
Daddy. You can't leave woman alone, daddy. We stay so.
You see him and I there?
What do you mean?
I'm like, no, me I do him a big favor.
What do you mean I do a big favor? Yeah, stab him on 9 bucks. And that you do.
Him not take care of the right
What do
way.
you mean not take care of me right away?
Him not have the stamina with me got.
Exactly.
Him not have the length with me got. Him not have what me got.
The moves. you
And the
have.
moves, him not have that.
So you try to tell me, say?
Me and that not there no more.
No, man, I can't. That,
They're
man,
not they're together.
Hmm?
And
No,
me
so
and man is the
I told
machine.
you step in on me and together.
No. I true your boss now
Hey,
no
listen.
use.
Boss, nah,
Listen,
no use.
bossy now no use. She have to tell me say, bossy, see bossy here.
Mm-hmm.
And see me
And
here.
all that too big.
Wait, look how far me there. Look how far me there, man. This.
They're far patrol, man.
4.
Mm-hmm.
4, man.
And I true.
Sure.
I true. Up here, tickle, could you hear? Kitchy,
And she
come in
laugh.
that. No want a
When me a
man.
tamper, she have your ball.
Me not tell no lie, no. Me see I'm blind, you know. I'm here and deaf, you know. But
Listen, me no business what you want to do.
I
you know.
fit trouble boss here, man. Me no responsible
Me
thing,
no
but
business
I fit
what you
trouble boss
want
here,
to
no,
do.
man.
But you see, if
I
you
want
go
to-
up in your mouth, you're going to know the outcome.
No,
of what
man.
go on.
No, so me no
You
responsible
don't
about
know
that.
the outcome
Tell
of
him,
what
but-
go reach you. Because
But you cannot
me
know.
tell you say lock your mouth and you still want to go chat the end back.
Check me in the back. Seems like you don't love your life, though.
You know,
I love
like
my
some
life.
people have the healthy thing, you
You
know.
know
What do you
love
mean
my
by that
life.
now?
Everything good, man.
But
And every
Me see I'm-
soup have
as me
a
say-
heavy belly, you know.
No, what?
You go on.
no,
You
as me
go
say,
on,
as
man.
me say,
Everything
me
good.
see I'm
Come
blind,
be a
here and deaf, but
night
I'm
after
trouble
tomorrow.
boss.
Move and go on, yeah.
Me go trouble bossy, man. My most are mighty, high and mighty. Me, what incredible much woman now one go. Me have to trouble bossy. No, so it's a must, man. As me see bossy, me trouble him, man.
So yeah guys, and I made it to the end. Thank you so much to watch it right out to the end. I am so grateful, and for my true supporters, thank you all. I love you all. Have a blessed evening or a blessed night whenever you're watching this. See you soon. Peace.